therefore what to say yo mate ho ye dia me da twa dia mpon nyame ase aha Adom TV dwumadi we ye nkranhye nsemre me amene dwumadi ho chia me ye am je so ya ni tekotego nipa cho mesere pa ye fro say mate wabomodi amate nyame nhira se wo de afidie na to abehwa dwumadi we me ma me futu de to me e na me koso amene wodi ho nkomo yi o musa brabo no baabi ayesa okoduro no nnu ho empempenso a opese obeduro no nnu ho de enioma a opese ka benya wonya ni nyina empo baabi awade ese woduro no nnu ho empo abosobode a wope wade suam no wonya de empo akatua ese wogie no enso abrabo de sa na tie empanin se obi ani ho a ne nsa aso na twa jareda je se bibia ani ho a ebekọ pepepe yo amawo nanso so no abrabo ima me futu on the say life will always throw fire on your dry grasses. Ababa asa wado kwaye mu na waboa onwira no abrabo ankasa de wojaba beto onwira mu ahyewafu so bi abrabo etimi hyewafu afane se ebia wokoware ye na wani da so se o bemma we obehwe me kama obedo me kama your friend Mrs. Priscilla me de mabrabo be koyie prekope na be ma hey na atontokwa say nti aware ne se na tie me de me jai enempo adwuma woyo no wo fa plan because adwuma every month be me save 10,000 enso akoto ya de ma wo no once the quantity me save adwuma me nyanka me jai enempo adesua wusua no enko wutimi yie unyanka wadwa adesua na akopa adwuma bi ayo akoton ade anya mfa so abrabo ujamu a obide sese wotramu na ebisa ho se ehi na sinto wo sinto no titiri ne firi mi ankasa enioma asese meyo a menyo enioma asese medwene ho a menwene ho adesua se mesua mensua ene me ne ene nti no many will fail examinations but bebre so adwuma ankoyie bebre wona pomodni ebeto sini ohia ebekan empo ababo be bisi basa na nioma a wo pese obenya no wonya ebema wera ho obuafu no I frustrated empo ofisa abrabo faso ni so bedi yawo di yawo no pepepe oyawdie ni ye na momnya hunu se oyawdie ni abufuo na wera ho na wodie no entimi moamoa nko anim. What you should know is that the emotions that you generate because of poverty, because of the lack you face, they are all part of life. But they shouldn't decide your daily actions. Sa oyawdie no e normal. Ade ankoyi ese odi ya. So bi chisi we ese obufu. Se na ma bi nkoyi ese se uma abamu bu. But enye no na ese de bubura. Don't dwell on the hostile emotions to create your life results. They will never help you. They will never help you. Abufuo will never help you. Awerɛhoɔ will never help you. Abomfiabuo, self-doubt, emwa. Sasu na hahayo, anxiety, emwa. Ye, misuro se meyo. De beboa se pepa kuduro. Na waye abufuo fo abrabɔ mu. Na wapo ɔdɛ akoma mu. Na ahye ho nkura ka che ho se. Medum pempenso bi a ankoye. Ede na hia esem ye what matters most that I can focus on. Dear Nehia says, what matters most? What matters most? You only have one life to live. How do you make it count? You only have one marriage. How do you make it count? You only have one job. How do you make your business count? Baba ubuin adeba akopene hia wankasa. How do you make your life count? Yaka counter obey den na abrabo asombo let them faso abre wo ne obi. It's important to take time to establish your own personal internal compass. Yaka compass a woni ekopo no wonim. O ade bi a kire wo mkwan fa ha o fa akohyiabo na nempo ye fa na GPS. Mo amotafa sa boat ne wan no. So ujira ofie na alpha boat no a sa GPS ne beba ofie pe na osan do akọ bia wokọ GPS e kyerɛ baabi a wogina e kyerɛ baabi a wokɔ wo mra nipa no onimo ɛno anse wabɔ fidie no so papa me gina kokomemle Adom TV anim ha na abegina wo sɛ wokɔ he hwɛ map no so na do akɔ wo so wohia wo GPS that will direct you where you are going na wokɔ baabi a nneɛma bebrebe siw kwan ebi awerɛhoɔ ebi abufuo ebi enipa bi suban ne wɔn kasa o GPS na kyerɛ sɛ fa omu na kɔ manyina hɔ na nyɛ hɔ na wokɔ ɛnyɛ abufuo ekuro mu na wokɔ ɛnyɛ awerɛhoɔ kuro mu na wokɔ ɛnyɛ mpo abeguro ekuro mu na wokɔ ɛnyɛ namfo bɔne ekuro mu na wokɔ na wasi nkete sɛ wokɔ baabi saa ne mu no san ho na kɔ anim you know hyɛ mmara ma wankasa ho anapawia na nwummerɛ wei mɛyɔ wei menyɛ wei mɛgya mu wei menyɛ mu suban wei hu hia suban wei hu hia kasa wei hu hia sɛ o hyɛ mmara ma ho mmara no ntimi nkyerɛ but o wadwen pron so sɛ emfoni a mɛtwa fam abrabɔ ehunie na saa kadeɛ wei na mede kɔ sɛ suban wei na mekɔ me anapabia me sɔre a bɛɛ no nan ne fa na makɔ me koto yɛ anim na mede na ase ama otwediampɔ wɔ soro yi ma ya ma na ka me onte ma nya kura na asɛ bibi ahwere ma brabɔ wo so bɛɛ ne saa kɛyɛ na mede ayɛ nnwom asi so na afei ma di asa kakra na asa na mede firi mpa so na mede asɔre sɛ woyɛ nneɛma bi a yɛfrɛ no rituals on sɛ wokɔ kɔnfoɔ hɔ a wodina nim ano ato se deɛ go akenkam saa ɛyɛ rituals ɛna ɔyɛ ɛna kenya wo gyidie sɛ wo so nya wo daily rituals woni okuru na wɔ hɔ anapa mo sɔre a mo wɔ rituals a mo yɔ ana mo sɔre na obi amuna ne nyɔnko ha mekɔ adwuma ba mekɔ dwuma ba nyɛ saa na ɛde wadeɛ sɛ mo sɔre a mo hwɛ mo ho anim na mo da twediampɔn ase sɛ baako anwu anya baako na mo nyinaa mo te nkwa mu na aka kyerɛ ɔyɛ sɛ meda nyame ase sɛ ɔma wo nkwa ka kyerɛ okuru sɛ meda wo so nyame ase sɛ ɔma wo nkwa a yɛasɔre nnɛ da yi woyɛ ankanyɛ menie na moabɔ mpayɛ na mpo sɛ bɛyɛ a mo afiri kura na ɔyera no na mo de anigyeɛ asɔre mpa mu apɛde amoyɛ awarefo bebree na ɔsɔre a abufuo pa de abufuo sɛ bɛma ɛsɔre a akɔhɛ adware na ɔbɛyɛ muka ase bɛma bɛdidi mekwaba saa ne ɛwadeɛ wɔn ne ɛfɛ na ɔdɔ ne ahobraseɛ no dabi sɛ munya kasapa ɛka kyerɛ mo ho okɔ adwuma bu nso asaa sɛ woda suban di wɔ adwuma mu ya obi kura ni hɔ a ɛbɛto a sɛ na wɔn na ɛyɛ saa deɛ wei ɔsɛ nipa simɛnsi Francis ɛna apesa na ɛyɛ ne sɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ de ɔmo yɛ ade ɛne sɛ wɔbɛtwɛn sɛ obi gyina hɔ ansa wayɛ papa yɛde ɛsɛ fata yɛde ehia ne deɛ edi mu abiri biara deɛ ɛsɛ fata deɛ ehia ne deɛ edi mu excellent is the name of the game deɛ edi mu na yɛ deɛ ɛsɛ fata na yɛ deɛ ehia wabrabɔ mu ɛno na ɛde bɛkɔ anim you need to get in touch with your inner self hwɛ kasa bi wɔ hɔ a wɔtaa ka wɔ adwene po so ɛyɛ nsɛm bi sa ho sɛ nsɛm a mɛka no ɛkanya me anaasɛ ebu ma bɛm nsɛm a mɛka no mamabufuo anaa amamɔyɛwdie nsɛm a mɛka wɔ adwene po so ɛfa saa tebea wɔ ho no ɛdɛ na ɛde brɛ meɛ go inside your head and replay your thoughts and find out the way you are thinking and replace your thoughts. If you replace your thoughts, you replace your emotions. When you replace your emotions, you replace your beliefs. You replace your attitude, you replace your behavior. Enko yi a emfiri obi. Ene de yɛ da foforɔ Nyankopɔn de ama wɔn. Don't get caught up in the failures of the past. Me mobo empo sinto eba nnura mu. Me mobo ahwase eba nnura mu. Ne mo bisa ahwase ne sɛ eba ne sɛ na mete hweyɛ. Eba ne sɛ na medi nkuguo. Eba ne sɛ na anko yie. Ɛde na me ne de yi a me hwɛ ne akɔ mu kyina mesu. Na me hwɛ ne akɔ no nra me yɛ ne yie na ɔkyina yɛ de. Do not dwell on your past mistakes or failures. Learn from them and become better today and tomorrow. Enura na atwa mu kɔ. Enura na atwa mu kɔ. Ɔkyina so nya maaye. Ene na ekura wo. Ene na ho hia. Ɛdeɛn na mɛyɔ. Na mfomso eba enura no emma biom. Ɛdeɛn na mɛka. Na mpom abufu eba ya no emma biom. na mu mabrabo ebe kra behwe ama me ene woni ebe me ubetimi ayo ubetimi aka ubetimi adesu ben bi dia ebe ma ya hu se wo mama ya odehye ubetimi aka nsem bi ene da yi a be ma wabrabo adimu suaka na hwe hunu na hwe ayo wate bisa ho se ede na meyo ne dai ede na meka na de nhira ne nkoso ebe breme na ebe ma mabrabo adimu etoje wankasa aha ena meja wo wabrabo be yiye da nkwama wate edin yam yeso eni tekotego midi kan ada cameraman Francis ase na mada me sound osmosis ase na mada me producer Priscilla ena empo Webek ampedu ase me da ase se wo so nya mrehwe me edin yam yeso eni tekotego unu yame entina
No see about mama me mamu nyina chemu akwa abanfa Adom TV Badwam kase so yada ni teko tegwase ni nkranhyen sama odi abreye anopai kase ne na braso sa wotibie ni etodwo mu bi ya wo betie ni ene ye be ko drobo adrobafo ye wo honom drobo station ho se ne ikra de wo mu ntua to bi a efise wo mu mpanimfo emebu akonta sika wo magege wo mu no wo mu hu akonta de a wo ma emmeto bibia yede sansam no ebebre mo GPLTU say Laura Fern want so nente so chana sansam no ne sembi na no pay me de bre wo Adom kase Facebook/Adom TV kase ni twegu ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mtie se den sem ni chiremo ankasa etie adrobafo ya wo mo drobo se ya make say de lorry loading fee enya de se wonmo ebetua biem kosi se won panifo ba bebu akonta e de akire won Adom kase etwaso
mana mo so mo fo mi moto yi no we ya driver ni we ya ka na unga yi no ani ya trust hu se asise na ekoso ye ndim na mo nya aduma enti yi no se nka ho de a ye trust ka mo ya de enye yi enti ya ba ji scam ani ni mi anu sa sa no kan 3 days ya ji scam sky ya nya enya de a ya ka se ye nim ye mba info mi da santa mo atra ko nwa so a omumu nkunda o betimi agu enti ye de edi na mo nya aduma
Womo ewie no GPLTU chairman a ono wo Drobo station ansu giabo enso ne Adom News atwetwe ho nkomo
ye won hihye GPLTU the whole Ghana and yet Drobo hanko na GPLTU it constitution no ho se meme pa constitution no ho de ye adwuma e ya de ameso me nya so twe na de wo mu se wo ye driver na so ba the constitution say wo be register wo car na ye de ye adwuma de ama wo tua commission de ama na ema automatic membership se ma be register me car no mu ye adwuma e se me fa mama o mo kwanya several times e bi anywhere o mo be ka say wo mo mra na o me register na o me members se bi ye kan if you belong to a bank as a customer that's what the bank na ye adwuma se bi wo sika e da ho no wo ye adwuma wia wo na wo ye shareholder o shareholder na wo be ye member no abaku no
Municipal Chief Executive Edema German South Andrews Bediako enso ne Adom News atwetwe ho nkomo
akoye se already no German South na ye Drobo Japi krum kwasibu krum be se 7 under curfew eno ya se yenkofo no bi o mu refi edi obi a curfew wo ha na wo pese wo sa de mra hye wonsam de ye trase ne ye hwe ha na wo de mra hye wonsam a me drama fo no bi mabusuanfo me nua mo na yi nti na asem si ya ye se enkomra na yi na ye resolve ya resolve ani e fi se bi ba bi aduru de nka ye nya asem no kuma sibre all of a sudden ase bi a mo adwen so mo mfa mra nya adwuma.
Deputy Communication Director ma GPLTU Samuel Amwa se ene Laura Feno enya de se wote so ne ateso echna na nyina no anu ye ba ya na ye de Ghanafo ye hwehwe se ne sefu obo na ba fom dia na ne wo se genti abo no so eba fom dan so wo kasa mu no wo se fu obo no ntem ma pa fom a wo mo ahunu sa ate abadia Laura Feno de wo mo gina eno woje
sesi aye kase ye hunu se asort kakra ye sha diesel no ejina be 18.9 ana bibi etisa averagely na sabre no ye nim se baabi ananka ye wo aye to sukodu sa ne enduru ho
And ade ba ko e pese timamufo nyina ate ase ne se enye fuel no nko ane the only component ye hye ye calculation when it comes to transport fare increment. Ye was spare parts, ye were lubricant, ye were taxes. Many who can say coming January 1st, insurance to so by 30%. And in so a babe da asenka for so. Sabra many who can say uko spare parts market bibian sasanye. Buona ye de toy spare parts on sa na ye tono. Engine oil akanena nke to be 100 cedis ni ade epeja ni mu ebi 200 ebi 250 ebi kura ye 300 cedis and over. Eye engine akanene bi aye to be 5000 ni ade epeja ni mu 9000 10000 ni achire. Bibia ensesan ye hunu say ampa fuel price the eba from kakra but ye be sre timamufo so mu benya abotre e de amayen.
Adeshia ya wamote antieku bronu bi wo so tuom wo ga central mensin mo buafu aban no asa aban no wodada won de won mo edi agro won mra meye won mo kwan no mo na bosha hodo a wa hyehye nyina woni so ede de wo sre so mra emeye kwan no
ko abaya ba ye to aba wonu nya dodo wa year of road no ye nya year of that ensusu aso aba amaya penfo ema epon
uko krom na akofa ne ma na wo ba na wo fa ka unya ka chense wo ba antieku obebisa wo se wo betra desert a on fa oma
se efie bi hye na ye wadwen se obefra fire service ha on ba bedu ha no na enipa awudida
me na me shed lens CCS me be ye shop no meet desert ho and I must start to share me shed lens
several times I see to o me car kese na si ho no Land Rover no and no several times I media twi inkrofo afri gota no
and wachi enaga central mansidi krachi Mohammed Bashiru editor Adom kase enim se o de kwan no ho kontraje ama contractor ya wa hye adwuma ase dada na wo kire senti a assembly no ede o hye eto o ye kire na o manfo pese wo ye no eso so manfo bo se enche contractor no ebewie adwuma no ama wo mo
demonstration M50 road project MPDD road project koso now dede a project no betimi agyae enti na ye ni na ya adwen ko benkrom se demonstration no hia nenti a court order ebemu bebebre oho a demonstration akoso a ebi adwuma a ekoso no the contractor no esro for fear of for his life and that of his workers enti no otimi a free site
Ajadifo ya womo wa wutu breku wa wutu senya west mensini mu mfimfin mante mu se womo are num awi womo ba baji wondwa yi aboso wiawia womo de chese de womo ye wo hode e wo sempanifo eba ho ebeboa wo
sina haye ogum ha pa se omo ya akronfo ankasa ba ha so wi bofutu na omo de bia ye market no ya bambo no sha ya bambo afi so yenya script fo a watchman akuku dambe miensa esanse ye market no kwade dada ho kwade dada wonti watchman baba bia baba ha bia baba hwa ha bia na we boss na fechi obana so okwa so fa ha na we boss na fechi no mo mu wiae
I say we no mu na ya hye nyama na wa best five we boys no watiti ya pa sabi mpedwa sa hwa na sa mi kwa fa beef begu ma di mo ha sa no mo ehun se mi ja beef no gu ma nti o be twa net no eno mo si sa beef no obi no mo si sa banchi na brode won kwa bibia wo kwa to no fufu e bi so ade a egu na na bo ye den nti esra ban we boys no ma sa wo nyina on fo nko mo adwuma den wo prison wo na wonya ofimu fia onye biem
na we enam so ama post commander wo empatemu ho chief superintendent Joshua Semenyo e de atudwa se wo mu be de ombetimi se ne omo ebepeja banbo mu e wo dwomu ho
mo poano mo ni bibia wo betimi ya mo di ahye na konfo no mo wiawia o ti ase na so bi o ho a mo mama so nti quickly ne ne betimi aye no ne me aye pese e konfo no mo haha mo market o ti ase entina ya waje simon so ye ni
Mampani adodanko akufuado akopao Atlantic container terminal ho entoma wo wie ye no so wo de soso abofo ma modern oil and gas terminal ɛwɔ Takoradi Adom Kaseɛ ɛtoaso.
The port of Takoradi was conceived mainly because its initiated thought it was an ideal location for the export of raw materials with which this region is endowed. But as I have said on many occasions, the idea that we can project our development goals on the production and export of raw materials and still think we can rid ourselves of the shackles of underdevelopment and poverty is not a well-grounded one. We've gone past the days where the port of Takoradi was seen to be the preserve only of cargo imported into the country. And Takoradi, the port of Tema, was seen to be the preserve only of cargo imported into the country.
And Wachi and a director of ports and so Edin Samawudo Bituja, Ewojumedino Ase.
And Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority. That terminal, as you heard, has a capacity that is rival across the sub-region, just like Tema MPS minus 60 meters. And Abidjan just last week opened a similar terminal. And then, of course, Lekki in Lagos and Lomé in Togo. But the competition is very, very important because Ghana has a special attraction for which, even if you have similar facilities across other regions and countries, we have a special attraction that will bring ships to our country. And the MPS in Tema is a testimony to the attraction or attractiveness of our country. So we are happy to be in a highly competitive environment where we have the latest state-of-the-art facilities.
Wadi ato adwumawura no mo anim se braso se yenuanom asabi won wadi dem ewo nnwuma mu kwan ya na binom ede wo mo faso no enye ade a eye ne kwampa so titi binom kansem bi kyese ye de sabi obi okro mo yare no kra na ye de sresre won ye se braso se wo se ye jai sa na ni suban no Adom Kaseɛ edeba
die ntina obi a wagwadi dem wona kwa bim wabɔ modin se mesua de na menso mafata na de brebi ho a mensa aka na wokoto na adwuma mu a enipa no ofata ne qualification perfect na adwuma yim perfect nanso ne disability nti na wobu nanimtia e hyada mo ebi no letter say ye won adi om hyada yen ya yeka de te me ameka say me o municipal officer me ho to me nanso me ndi tie ne makoto akurase ne nyina ye nneoma empanifo bi eya emmoa yen enti e be stress say obi a wo ye adwuma panyi no hwe say obi wo adwuma mu a wo ne be di ne yie na Nyankopɔn so e be ka wo ho
The Oyo Secretary, Edema Yenuanum a omo atochima bekwai branch no Josephine Ofosu enso ne Adom News etwetwe ho nkomo.
Me a mijina hey, me a victim. My worry 10 years. Me ne be manawo nkola 3. By true me disability nti, my fa challenges bebre mu ama me ame de ahomete eja ya ware no. Enye easy maye. Atetie ebro. Te say ensem words upon words. A free sebi be manano be ka kirebe no. Ye se munya ma ye ware mu. Edi nti na wose ye ware mu. Te say ya de bebre.
Opening ba konsuso a ono nso ebepie ewo mpatem ho no dwumedi ekoso no Henry Opoku ware enso ne Adom News etwetwe nkomo
titimire mo no na omo perception bi say bi pepa ba bia emfi obi a sebi why physically challenge no nanso enne enyoma asesa bebre enne ukoba bi biara uhu say aban ahyehye mra a eche se wusi dan a e wo se onya oye provision for the disabled obi a sebi kuta wheelchair obi a sebi ne nan kura ontimi nante no awfo se ofasa akwan no so e de fosoro a yeye
Northern Regional Commander de Madum Jejumako ye ACFO1 James Ankra enei arehwa banemu ni nyina ne se bosome antemu ni eja hwehwe ya wo mo ehunu ewo mantam ne mu eye aduasanan ya wo hu se anu odin bosome ba akopɛ eja hwehwe nko 34 de emu odin oni Adom Kaseɛ di nkomo atufui
em se ina enim se ndu de numre mu a opebre mu na ko Christmas mu special opebre mu na nyama bia no aye wow the wire dry nti o se enya hwe pa Sunday o show kakra pe nti se eja atom because nyama na aye dry dada no try ni se o show kakra ka na wato na we can the Busume Twim November, and the northern region. Among frame I responded to 34 fires. I feel we decide way to two. I feel a twin 2021 November. I know you call 29 fire incidents. We can say I feel we be across road.
And which of us are coin so at the foot ma o man for a coin your befaso abon ho ban every ejashie ehun.
Friend say overloading. Yes, let you say or show the ban cord no cables no obey heat and appliances no obey heat and other obey door order the mun so let you say or show no kodo na eja atom. Nti nya extra man for say if you feel air ko ejuma electricity adi be I use electricity gadgets be I use the day why say TV say fridge mpo ase say plug ina or protect na fridge guard you are safe only fridge guard penetrate say problem until you radio u TV u iron u bibia u light ni na fan u air conditioner na dum ni na edika etu ni a ewo plug mo no na etu every plug no mo until say you are safe say
Yada say yenjina no so na yemfa Badwam kase no nsi ha anopai de adu so no ono abo akwasinsia ejina mu den wo kan ono abo nko ade no nko ane ni poster de nyame asema na kra de ni nipadua nyame hira won so bra so se wo so akwa adwuma mpa sore waka na kopa bibi efa bra busua wo ko de share yam Facebook/Adom TV yeto ejumadi no so ho nyame hira opi be me na mo akwa aba
efia bi so bako de
yankopon adom
de nyame aso black nso ne edi ato dan e kama pa
medase
se roki kan nyina abom preko
na sa de biam keka bom
eni jebre ni se hye
o nyame adom
abusuafo nso ye
obia ho ye
de nyame asefia eniema nye
adai
eniema nye fia eniema nye ye de ho saa na ye twe ma no ko akire and anopai ye de ye mfa 7 nipa nim ferie Emma obi nteki Ghana ese ono akasa ne dia efia ba bia ne mekeka kono se nipa bia nsori ankasa ma mpanifo bia adwene amano mo yeso a enye papa mfa mo my Ghana meni nipa bebre ya adwene na director mpacho se honorable amwakwata video na ready adam mpacho mfanto ho mamne ebo ni sesie meni nkofo bebre ya adwene on the call for Kelofrata say or resign anama mpanim pam no yes, but if there's one person, yes, ye nyina ye agya tum se Kenofria tabo Ghana car. There's another person also equally wabo Ghana car. That is the Minister for Roads and Highways. Honorable Kosiam Wakwata. Last year, ye kenkan a fee budget 2022. And na papa de betu dia ka kire se budget na ne anyi ntomu no. Ehon mo se mato boot nyina anya adwuma. It's about 38 toll booths. Yeah, spread it across the length of Ghana. Yeah, every year my 78 million Ghana cedis according to his own words, averagely. Eti ushemwa every day bianca Ghana nya 213,000 Ghana cedis from road toll. Amwakwata ko gina mrashe de fiem ka kire ye se. Amanfo bi duru won mo peso be tua toll no. Enti na ada ne ntokwa. That pato yetie abwakwata wiasa na me maka maka dia so ti asmo ro abwakwata o kan ma che fiem.
The Minister for Roads and Highways, what is the estimated loss of revenue till date due to the cessation of collection of tolls, bridge and road tolls, as contained in the Ministry's press release dated 17th November 2021?
Mr. Speaker, there are in total 38 toll stations across the country. There has been no loss of revenue to the Ministry of Roads and Highways since the cessation of the collection of road tolls. Mr. Speaker, after the presentation of the 2022 budget statement and economic policy of government by the Minister of Finance on 17th November 2020, most road users refused to pay road tolls at all the locations throughout the country. During that period, there was confusion between road users and the correctors. Mr. Speaker, in order to save lives and property at the toll locations, a directive was issued for the present suspension of the correction of the tolls. Mr. Speaker, with the approval of the 2022 budget, effectively, road tolls have been zero rated and there will be no revenue in 2022 for road tolls.
The minister and the ministry over the years have reported that the toll booth averagely gives about 78 million annually.
Hey, Director, you're fine, sure. When anu year on Badwam wakwata at the commercial film. Catches a 78 million Ghana cedis no and your loss to the state. And now ye can say on Badwam wakwata ne journalist Ekoto. As part of it was say, yes, sir, the road toll back. Road toll near the bad, ye may 50 pesos ni once to be a babatum. Na Ghana and Jessica, and what ye ben electronics and be can be for baby. Papa way throughout this year, ya feel kuna we yen. Ya rate 78 million Ghana cedis. Kwa. I feel like you know 78 million Ghana cedis. Ya share the kwa. Ya Ghana nye boni biya. All because Amwakwata I decided to say, oh me a new roto. And this man is still a minister of my Ghana. Why is President Nana Akufo-Addo becoming so soft for the man that we know him to be? Amwakwata magana boka say. Ni everything wa rewo eyemra shefjafo. Some Amwakwata beti unmaka cham say. Amanfo du tobu to mbeso be chianti no na na twema megye ewo toll collectors any drivers in them inside the say be antokwansi ntidi yenyan onabo Amwakwata mi say do you know how many times GR officials have to fight to confirm koji tax from Jay? Do you know the number of times that traders are chasing GR officials from the market? Do you know how many times the amount for chasing ECG and therefore from fear? Should they also say same say because you quiet it yet no ye says kanana? And don't why be me blame you on Amwakwata. With all due respect, me blame you back okra. Because your man penny a yanya no na nado dan kwaku fad no, it's not been a man that we know him to be. Ate sebio, your man pass obi ato ne duro. Na yade man penny na esi form akaki the paper, Amwakwata will be the first person so ko be pam do free na mamum. Or me 78 million Ghana cedis, 780 billion old cedis. Amwakwata sin yeska bia. And now Benia break pension snake sika 530 million. Abanso de se kotoso e de akwa se oda be a bond exchange. Ya tinna won e de bebo ye ho bra no. Man pani na abanso de o se e kwa kotoso because Ghana kwa ho ye him. But somebody like Honorable Amwakwata am ya 780 billion. President Akufo-Addo say any issue. Amwakwata say any challenge. Yenya members of parliament to support him. Honorable say chairman Sabusu ye number 1. And in fact, our also say me say ultimately you feel now would defend this position of Honorable Amwakwata. Now free say sexebio man penda na Akufo peswa. Ka Amwakwata betimi ane woye. Se Ghana hwesika. Ni atasi ni sase dem fam ekọ afinie mampani nyahwe mampani kahwe and mampani you are there asking Ghanaians say yen 30 but to do what? President Akufo-Addo baby the Ghana ekura frɛ yayi hu. The friends and family tenant mo aye dino yayi hu president. Baby Ghana kika kono president yayi hu. Why you deal dodo? A day of President Akufo-Addo yayi doso. Tibi sama pani sebi yenya sebi bru sebi konto. Some were quoting the wood near no bushenia, and they can't take it on. Mammy MPP Penfour, as a strong passer, and your John Mahama Brasso, and the minister be any and Wakwataya, and the Kakan and Yaya Red. Nyatum, and the Kugana. Nyatum, and the Kugana. That is where we are leading to. 78 million, 78 billion. Yes, you agree, it can be. Now, we send Kevin the Becky against that SM program. Now, but you will just say we not got econo, and yet time. Sack Amakwata, Mr. President, for causing financial loss to my Ghana. Sack Honorable Amakwata. He don't deserve to be a minister. Amakwata is an apology of a minister causing financial loss to the state. 780 billion. Because Yakojia. Omo to mkefia mankwasi go nchienti no oni to collect ade beko etiyenya na nkofanto kwa ama enanu kumase kejetia adwadefo ni si GR fo na betom office no mpene eto no bo amishadai twonkrofo no fa free wo na Amakwata se eyese kwa kofanto kwa aba mguase yete ho and we still call him a minister for that person the besi. I'm telling you about Amakwata. If any president Kufuado, and then the why mre. Why mre? Sabi president Kufuado, I am mre. Pass one kun and someone. Come Amakwata, Sabika, wouldn't more Casabika, never kessa. Magana Hrisas Kawi, a sakuja say the film Sakase, Yan Shisi Kabia, Yan Lucy Shape, 780 billion. Would the contractors car, Untiminchia? When you're 78 million Ghana cedis, usinye sekebia, nshiri sekebia. Yo, yantuaso. Sesani pena. Efia.
Hiti na node.
Kaso no eneme bufu.
Waka bia nti wamwate na atuotua de. Ya na de ya ne se wutua na nhunu de ye. Na ya na ni tua na hina bufu. Enti ade achi me enkan sam abema kwasi yakoma aba form because onimni awate ne ne wahu emu oya so hu man niema ha dwen pa asa ye kwa ne asa gina bebi egina enkoye nim bibia enwonwran niema boden pa so woto ade wudi dwa bosome a wobekọ next bosome no oni so bebriwu Juba kase bia nipa no amane ekosoro because udi dwa bosome nentia nema kosoro pa timpanifo mo hwe na de wose ye no monye amomwa na amrantia ne bre meme bro bre because obi yire no hu se one na busua nema bekoyie bra de ni kwanso obi ye kura broso wo ye broso bi board day and night just so he will get something for ono na busua mo edin ya kan say mu hunu mo mani hunu mo busua so mo ni ha e mo ebi amakwa bi amakwa next week o mo ko holidays o mo hunu ohu na mpani fo ye de mo tue o man na no sa mo hwe ne ya setena mu nkoyie na wo oba tan ya wo dwen wo oba tan ho nwene wo ma ho de na no ye oba tan de no man mo de ye ko da chi bi ye mpani fo mo ni ho e me ye to so ne ye beba na ye so mo eto ye so ne beba Mwanya ne mayi a afi wo mo di akire nyina nya kro no bo a ewudie sa ne ma na ne bekoso because obi ekom de no ekom de wo de wo shada makom no one day na hwe na hu nyina epopo ti de ni kwa sa obeye no eno na obeye ti wanya careful a adwen ne kra ma ni tirimu kra na ekom ni brinti wo de ye bibia ensem fata ti empanifo ni die kwan so yasramo ampani adoda nkwa akufu ado be mena sode na ase kofu ohu ne magu ani so ya komu ye na I think say nye de wo mo beka ni nyina sa na tie papa da na nantimu ya de bia me kan sa o de one day out how de si form na approach imrantie ne mabo a bi obi na ma hu se na ni ma yakusu aho kire ti de bia na ni mamu na ekomo ya entwa to kwasi ani abri yankwafa to mra me na ya mede na eye me de se ye jaje because sika no ya je kura ye nhunu ne ye de ye ntimi de etwa mu nukra na ye mede go me kwa me kosa sika na ye de koma ho ye tua to atua na to tua ye hunu so mfa so de nti sa ye betwam nti sa 78 Ghana million Ghana cedis ya hwiri ye tua ye kura na ekwa he ye tua sika sa na hye nkofo buto tua sa nti emu oya pa o man ye sika ye tua nyina ihu ba bi ekọ tua to ukodi dwa kakra ubehwe taxes a utua wosonko avat nko me kodi dwa be edwa nka me na me target ye be 1000 just provision keke na 1000 me hete 1003 na me hwe so no vat NHIS any covid na me say how oh emu seriously oh my no emu oya ntimpanifo oh we nyina ye tuo enade na ka ho dada matua nti die na die mfaso na de breme die na mehunu at the end of the day ese yesika na etwetwe ande mo ana mudie so ho nti no I had dream ya na ewo ayi private sector no ya wo kire ye because adwumaru aro no bibia anza memeka na ho ti bedo wo so da yeso oba beto na katua mu ba banfo ne de ewu ye ne de ta foforo abehye ho to won se ne increase wo mo de mo ya ne asa be gina ha kama mo ye ho na kama ye obi enu ho kama ye nti mo nyama ne mamu no nyame wani abro but ye nipa na abro wo ye tirim ti ye mpanimfo oh ye asore ne akogina la mu ne ato aba ye beto aba mfa so obi amaso se de o si ejaye asa wo ko politics mu ana ye odefo awo akire de a obranko a emu oya be kakra nyire be so ho abegum na fe wana abehwe no oh ti mo me nya careful kanya de sa kwabra ne onye sojani so ye sojani akom de no ti ayi papa bia na eso obi eye na odi didi penifo mo mani na ho mo no kura na di wo madwuma mu amoye mo na mo ye elders mo ye pastors no ne ade tete front seat na o ba bonten a usubanko kwa so dem a usubanko sa ade boni bia nso ye boni na video bi a me hu ye abrante bi ye na o say e ma wo mo de chain to wo na obi hunu a as wo ye de bon ye ni number 1 o say nyame kasa mafo che say ya condemn ni pa so be kom no te front seat no
ne boni ya
wo bonten kura ye nti ye mpanimfo ye ceremony de anya nimtia but mo santana se nhwe drawing board mo hwe so ye adwuma ma ye we de bia be kom boss abu office owo ayi board ketu abu ho mo atwere Adom asempa ne ho ahwan to se de bia no e wo se ye nsakra ye bibi amode ye amoye de before mbe meeting ba ku tin ko a sikadie mumu aye du yasra mo ko nanu ya ebi mo etaje
oh yeah
kase anem ni ade so hu enye so obi ani bre obi a basa wo didi a no aka wo ma wo akire no ntumum obi anso nya bi obi ama mesra wo yesama sana doso imota bese ese enye yesama sa bia ti na bet na doso no
oh yeah
because
no politics ma why ye say
oh se be bia obi ade be ye bia obi a try so be ko ho
bia ye civil servant 15-30 years on typical to asase e wo enkrachi oba politics ma within first 2-3 years osmato fi your cantonment and enyo obi a concern o kan say na dwuma no ye onyi agana sika
sa and no so be ko kwasi mi twa no e be ko court ye be ko aba ye be tie na afi ani so ja mpanimfo we die de na broso too much
politics no nko na ska
no ha nko
politics no na ska wo
Ghana ha de ba bia sika wo pa
adwuma bia ma politics nko na
aba be di hene na no na me ne contractor bi kasa se na adwuma yefo a wapam wo mo no kwasi ese woni na me bu se nti wo mo kwai o se tete oni de ba bia wo kwanya
na yes is na japade ni fie ye de nse to so ni excavator de adwuma de nsa to so bibi wo bia no bank no eje
and at the end of the day oyi o kate so no kwaso because any bu ajai adwuma bi o hono ma those days na e bia lunch e bia 3 times a week ya mo mu bi ene ajai ene bi o ma jai chese nti sa no enkura na ekwo school o mu wi o mo kɔ he na fe anase for call London amu se de ombako nti usori anu abompa ye se awurade mu ahode menyare because e mo den be ye adwuma san fe be wie so wa mobra enso nipa bobro na de ayi akora akwasi ne so wo be yire wo ho na bi a wo adwuma bi a ye so pese wo say create bi na wo obi hweso oh shia se wo want na no a ebegu
Ghana for yankasa nso suban so de o ka se odi akire a wa adwuma kora ka o mi bi da
se kwa mo obi a mi e obi a wa tena wa de
Ghana ne adwuma the way na say se ahoya nso hu bi wo ye muntia na ya se meni afia mankwa na ko ne wanya sika no obi ma se me mama ye bi enti ene sa dia se manya dia meku ni kura preko such kind of so mentality ne so no mo man no
ni bre ni bre
ma so gu abekwa kwotena fie
o fa ho bai
egu ma abekwa kwotena fie
o fa ho bai
amwasa kwosresre
even before ebegu okura no wo say twon customers ne de ko so ko bie foforo wa twon mu nyina nso de ko na wa ma anyonko antwa
ankwa usu ntwa nu da
thank you
Sajum Bonani so we trimua, obi titimbo rem kojibosia, the ababe be a juma, minu dibinam suminibi, Pesamin kuminyanti, no what national was say a juma who go, William Senya, who ye be go a branty a juma, still no ye. Bosom so betuanica. That is it. And one amine penny movie dim common a juma will be branches base 2 or 3. Na ya na normally or no baby or one, no be a movie, no who eba, no calculate here, and fact. Emfa kura na mede masam ne se so obedi bi kura fine didi bi but eni nkomo ama hu se returns no asako jibusie free baby dia betua oka ti ya wo ye nti wo be ko heaven
na wo pese obi e wo de ekoso enkoso wo go obi de na pese wo de ekoso ya ye nwene sa de ni ti se wo ye bibia wo ye bibia ya ye careful adwuma no ntumi nya kwasi no atwo ho na akọ
obi anhye wo
obi wo ho
obi anhye wo
yampon enti ahana be makwan na de obono eno na de amamo no eno because eno ofori ata de
eno senja na eno na
engozi hwe kasa sa na de achi asa
ya ja no eso onye boni bia
ti aye
fa no hodi
ti ya di si ha agudie mu nsam to so na fe professor Yike Wallace so aha ena ekejua be ba ere kese du body na de agudie mu nsam no abro na ho sa sister Sandy the guy so abafi sam wo ho na fe mpense mu so abowa kwanti yekọ hwe live on Facebook nyame hira onfa nkonfa mra somdue mu ai yedase
Right, fantastic morning Yamakwaba and some akoso agudimo dosu bebre na so the se fatasa wot in the premier kwan na anopa ya bobo no na ye de brewo oneexpert.com ke ho ye de ba oneexpert.com when say world cup no ye to quarter final na so ne iti relax na pigum na ediska guboto me oneexpert.com of course sedimon gel and roll on be my pin na call every pain be call sedimon gel and roll on I know that charge fast mixture so ka wanna pay da yen some na there bro aha yesi akonkon na ye omo Sergio Manocho bana pari botwe producers Kejwana Kasani Erica Siedubuadi now quarterfinals ya Badwam on officials to see net here and at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. na matches now pass wanya some keto akwa yen hwese na esiatia na okokopimo ewo Croatia and Brazil game no ampaya na edwa Croatia Brazil a big game pan ya dia na fin so no kokohwe ye beba 7 p.m. no so ejina mo de dendi anya some keto akwa nti eno ne se ne sam no so esiatia eti ewo Holland, Argentina, France and England and face Croatia and Brazil menim de obeka se obehye ne nyonko aha menim de obeka se obehye ne nyonko barotum se yes ano den pa na ye kan sa no obi a enamba bi no obepie mu e wo ye quarter final yi obi a namba bi na obepie bia ye wo ye hwese ne Brazil fa so ebepie mu quarter finals. Well, so I know it's 3 p.m. games now. Croatia and Brazil live on Adom FM ne Asempa FM share FM so gina mu anya easy crab. Ye kwanyumre ne hwe de be koso nyumre. Na Holland ne Argentina na ebo eni kan bo Holland for hwe kwan mo fa so be pie mo quarter final yemo. Okay, I know ne Holland for so road to the quarter final. Messi lead Argentina for the wurum. Argentina man for any o so pa ne but Argentina so road no. Enti obia pray obia bomodin san obedo quarter final enti ye hwese ne e be hyase he now eno ye ne games na face so ya hwese mo china Morocco ne Portugal de be boni na fe England and France matches ne bia ni hoda form cry bia mu odin papa ye ne de akire hwese ne be si akọ ni na live commentary o Adom FM ni Asempa FM na face so no obeti oneexpert.com oneexpert.com come papa Jifas Mesha so mo agina na so ba anase obema na yenkopie mo the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana former Football Association president Orokwasi Ntachina den Samuel Tudwa bom rante na baso na ochire mo se nkwala na abamu no omo wo future pa da chene so se ye mu yi a abrante ba ko na ni di na chipa e Kudus Mohammed abrante ne na ni da fomo a da chene on na bekuta Ghana franca na pa.
I think sir Mohammed Kudus
Nima boy
very outstanding. Na ya mompa ye ma no na so timi toa ne performance yi so a ene dachi ono na the team no better no bati na wa swama ye because a very 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 good player so you broni anka you boni din bebre emi da so ye Ghana ni enti yanso yam fampa bonta na chi apart from him Salis Sunomo ne Salis Abdul Samed new boys young by Ali Duseidu onyina abo homode o hwe se omunya guidance pa anka ye team idie
Mohammed Kudus
anyo no kwa onyina young onyina take your profession as a footballer seriously. Be professional, be focused, be disciplined. Niaka ne de Yakopon Bishraso, and the sky is the limit. Coach Ripan.
Your players be more blasters is here. What time the year is a near whom be a perform by an uncle Magana, or your performer don't buy. You be Tim Muna, what time I would do much and so over some Domba, the Boma blasters.
I think Inaki.
Inaki William.
Yeah. Inaki there. Mene ne papa cry who meeting. Ne papa abaji FM ye share that. Ne papa fi akim da.
Okay. And so when I was starting say Inaki.
Oh, mene na share. Ne wa fan so obey madam for because of that. No bank we. Madam for you know a deputy managing director. No and so na mene no edi ne ho nkomo. Onyina na omo pese Inaki Eboma Ghana. Omo na ma me hu say Nico kra so very talented. Sam na Nico sa na o ma best team no mo. Na o ma me hu say anu so talented nti yenyere ho na o me ni nyina mebo ma yen. Na nkola omo atena Europe na elsewhere. Omo timi bo ma European countries na Ghana. Bebre ye starting who project ye na Anthony Bafo and I started project my Jumadi no around 2005. Taco Concro form, even Kevin Boatin, Sona Obaye, Quincy also by year, Sona non so far by Francis Dico. Guy be on the Yano or Donko, no mines or Germany. Because you know, no sushi, yes, mines so far. Let's be brave. But at the end of the day, no player and they decide whether Obeba or more. And the way I move so the moon so I am our to submission and crime on my Magana. This I almost compete with young boys now more hano. Na yen share oma modern ball a queniama or meet me about your Jumadi. I think, sir.
Wow, former Football Association President Orokwasi Ntachina. Odene sama tu dwasa no na ye kan sa na steady more gel and roll on na boa na pin bia atimi atu ayra ye ka Black Stars ansem no abrante ba kwa mpo atwa kɔ ne so pa bi se wasan Baba Raman am se steady ball nam ne ho ani baba so akasa fa World Cup Ghana ko no. Alright, Baba Raman na odene sama tu dwasa ko back to the base Redden no sina kan our championship ni mo na ye do open a brofo crisis to so Black Stars kan fo bi sana sem na brofo no o ye ne se you know, that's a mona yi 1-1. But how they na Obagana na say to Jimmy na say boom style bisa. No rush. Yeah, dia. Abisa, yengina so na fancy na. OneExpert.com kan wona dey sam na dey bro. OneExpert patro so be bet ya OneExpert.com. Jefas Mesha mo wagina nice to painting oba na be manager. Say dem gel and roll on. I know so your paints no. Na yi area fio. Say German no be na padi botwe. I'm a producer. Sky. So the Nankasa Baka Kejwana, Erica City, where you go so heavy drum, the Twasso Yahosepe. Yes, it was.
thank God it's Friday. Senia ye boko Christmas no. Ye be we yesu no. Ame agye ani no. O se start free ne ya. Ye gye ania manyankopon no. We fili wo hra heme no abonensi mama. Me din de Sandra. O heme madaroma nti. Mu chema nyame adom ne Ghana fa daroma mu chema din asese di. O mo de ama me ne se.
Wouldn't Sandy no. Where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Praise the Lord. They say no osumu na yeko. Me saka me ame mame. Me sister Penny nimpon pa just say otonyo ma hunwum na de hyase no. Ya na ehuye pa ne nimu adu na ye me de. Lady Sarah. Sani amidi kan ka Charles say Christmas event no edos no. Me keke bi chairman last Wednesday. But any fear me be best also a day amamo. Because wow. Papa Tassamami. Because your sister station Omo Kumase, Insura FM and Love FM. Big shout out to Ruthie Mommy or no. Me carry on sister Sandy no way ye feel na me say there be him na me nim temperature Love FM for mo fa enchema mu chema. Insura and Love FM's Night with the Stars. It will Kumase on the 26th. They say yeah Carol's night on kan ha no. Me sister stations no. Insura FM and I feel Love FM. I'm also Nights with the Stars. Then no kwa. Samini live. And 24th December. Trust me. Sa show no emu ye depan. You don't really want to miss it. You know, samini mini. Everybody ni ababa support. So Akable any Abiza band. Once Akable no mune bought instrument. Your live band and I don't know. Am I? You know Akable so ni Abiza band. Okokroko na nkasane Adom TV Night Lessons and Carols. Ebeye hu ye ni kuma udfo no egro ye drama e share adidi ani monyam yesu awo no so ye wo no 2022 a kasan ye be wo no kuma udfo no a share drama fefe for me de ba na hwe kwan a be fa so ato ticket this time ye kono digital bacho 9 lessons
oh adofo ebrena so said ye na dan 9 lessons carols night awo hwe aka ana wo hwe mansamusa na me madam for ne mele na me pe mele abeno na one for mama no dia koma Joseph wa hwe die ne besi na wo wase shia me entrefie kwa frebusu ni nyina na mo metena se na yen ka Yesu no asem ana Yesu abakosem edano yawo atepa are TV
official pa I think come at me. Oh, give me a wave. Wow. Official pa I think come at me some dream. I first said in I had a sotiase and then embrace a work Adom TV bombody anya butena tineche but drink be soon chain now when ni air babeche ya beji nisa if you say the onyamia yama no edoso. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a group they are very good. Me poma sempa, wama buy and chair, but wama ajidimpa. Put your hands together for the ministration of a Kia Achire Memorial Youth Choir.
Afiatu ye ni edi ne pepepa ye ni Adom TV 9 lessons and carols. Na ni jise me wo me say favorite presenters no be kind Bible. What's me kind that from praise my kind auntie e bi afia man kwa ne le didi mu ni abna fuka mo nhyada nkan bi ntino mo na bi mpone me nya asem wani mo. Right, me saka brand TV all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Ni din di Anthony Enyi Okai ye wono March 5th ni stage me rising o be na business say rise and arisen. You know, no bebo edi achoe Ghana Nigerian recording artist, songwriter, performer, or a model, or sasa. Na niema we na no me mane nkwa onye bi nkyere me. But ni ngine mo no, ni musical career no wan fan to nchen aside modeling ni ade no yes metonyom so edi ahye Ghana for ne Nigeria for anemu. Wahene akwaba.
Medasi.
Hey, Atlanta, what trees? If I can't, we didn't hear the risen.
Rising.
He has risen. Yentie wonyom no na. For you na sekechama. This whole song came about.
Oh, so I was Neptunes.
Whoa.
Yeah. The boy men on.
What Neptunes eh?
Yeah, me Neptunes the boy.
Wow. That's international shit, you know?
Yes.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So we came together and we worked on it.
Wow. But what performance I could Rapaholic ne?
Yeah.
2018.
Yes, 2018. Wow. Yes, I did.
Oh, Beam concert in our so.
Yes, because Beam concert.
Wow. But is it a year of return beyond the return?
Yes.
It was a Ghana. Is it maybe a year of return beyond the return? It's show by now. That's so.
I'm on almost every show.
Really? What's kid in Ghana?
Party Life with Jackie. It's not confirmed.
That's what rehearsal before.
Yeah, most of them. No, I'm kind of like half into it.
Party Life with Jackie.
I'm not on it until I'm on stage.
Okay, well, but one I know, like I say, you rehearsal before. I mean, shows that I confirmed. For
May Stone Diano.
Beam concert.
Yes.
Right.
May Jackie Diano.
May Jackie Diano.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until like I'm on a few way.
Right. Yes, we had the cameras, but I'm going to trust us to grab the face. Yeah. But that's it. It is our social media handles, not from me.
Rison Official. RISON Official.
Lewin a down shirt or inspire one.
I didn't name it.
Yes, your model behind you.
But
that's it. Say and Dina, imagine about BCB to say, those American star, Nidino wrote to me, okay, or more, friend wrote to me. That means guy now, yeah, power no. I don't know, say this guy. Apparently he has a new song, and or yet tour, media tour, Africa tour, or a Nigerian based in America. He's big. I mean, and currently in Nigeria no try music video. Yes, and it's very dope. And you want to tell you and me, you don't need nobody. Wrote me your friend or about Ghana or for Nigeria. Ghana is next. Yo, bro, I'm waiting for you down here until by Mr. My main son chose send a kind on that. On that note, you know, a new music video buying. He featured a Ghanaian beatmaker, producer, Neptunes, international vibe. It's a patcho. Mommy her video na FP. You be chat on near no exclusive interview. Na me boss say come some time so well be Kofi Ampedu near friend me director Papa Kobina. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Just say me boss keke come some time so dey. Jehovah. Tie money tell. Watch them 2 tickets, right? Oh, for the guests, for the viewers, sure. That CP. Once upon a riddle.
Yeah.
Drama.
Stage play, musical.
Oh, next time feature what me yard.
Mate.
Yes, one ton yard on
National Theatre, 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. Ochina Yameboa. Ochina 10th December. Yeah. And I just recall play when he say Matron Yum Bako 14 for the song, for the play.
With that Tyler Perry. Interesting.
It is an original musical. It will be about play Nibiano. There will be 17 songs to know, about 14 of them are original.
I guess I performing live.
Performing here live.
Wow,
yeah. It's Obi and Brand
did you feature anybody, people in there, and new faces? I push on
you'll be new faces, which are pushing, yeah. So yeah,
it's interesting to know.
We're talking about something very interesting in this production. We're talking about the gift of life. Because the time beyond also, because we're blessed that, or looking at the cars, the houses, and all those. We don't know that the gift of life is the beginning point of all these things. Yeah, so this play, man, who say in life, no, never is count here, but they don't hear pie and qua. So in qua only trade. Yeah,
it's very true.
Exactly.
It's in Adom watch now.
Watch 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. National Theatre. 2 shows. Obi want me Buffett calendar, so bet me a live streaming. www.scribeproductions.com. Scribe SCRIBE productions.com. Yeah, into call no bet me a live streaming. Sure. Definitely.
Thanks for the ticket.
Welcome.
Many details at all. We'll be more information. And baby,
so we'll be paying information. I'll bet my friend 054 609 8082. 054 609 8082.
Okay. That's trailer no. If you are quite a macro to us, so dear Fisem, by then come on, I mean, sorry. When you say a World Disability Day. Into no bedroom, you better discuss. And within the sister, son, to be a guy. I'm the guy as queen Osmosis, I'm Sandra Akapi, my producer. Welbe Kofi Ampedu. I am a director. Pat, the young man. I see you. Interesting. Why you doing the crowd? I'm the guy who's Christian Mukwana. He didn't glow. Pose, my crowd.
I'm Samuel Kwabe Adom TV. Badwam na Ocean Sister Sunday be a guy. Odi ahusapeno akwaku gudi ama 9 lessons and carols na baso. Nyame eya domwa wo National Theatre. Die nya ye nhye no nso. Na edu ho a yemra na enye fe obetu 30 cedis. So atase ha na ene yaba. Na mame na sponsors here se wo mother romanti ni eba bedi nkomo we eno so ehu hia pa. Na St. Andrew Senior High School awofo ni abatan yemfa yema no enko St. Andrew Senior High School na courses ni nyina no won mu kire bi ewo ho ye ode ye boarding so timfa ho ne ba bi a wo hwe yemfie se wo pe school pa do bana kwa St. Andrew Senior High School won mo eje enkoda no kelke toothpaste so chuchu basen anopa ene anwumre anopa mahus wani abrede ne wan chuchu kra wo bro no sa vem no ya sa fa hyemu anajo fi se de ni nyina wadi di sweet num ni ade ese eno anwumre no so twitwie otwitwi a chese no ano no moda ti wo hwe so wo ba beda no atwitwe ne se eno so bo awofo no sa munya sanso efi na ekoi ye hwe se ebetwitwi ese twice a day ti meboa yem pa kidi minister opon so eyem kradru enkra na wo mpa aduane no ya ma ne kidi minister opon bi nnom bonsa afi no wo fuma aduane ni se ya edo ma so ko pharmacy shops bia obenya bi ato Piwak Natural Health and so the draw 3P garlic mixture no aba eno an ye no boost your immune system nti ya de bia ba so a wohan so adi ne so enkunim enyumako ya da romanti ene ye ba bedi sankomo imidi ade afia amankwa tamaklo me wo mampanifo wa ha oba paniti nedwam na fe pani ono so ka ho fache me pa na asopatre namka say French word do say but ye ka say ye bia festival do baso ti ho nkomo panifo mpacha mo makwaba ana ho efe pa no pay
also sa
mo asopatre idine sa pepepa
aspatre
let's just say
it's just simple.
Hey,
send your wedding cross symbols. San and crime for so almost symbols.
Oh, yo.
One of in crime for symbols.
Yo,
even the fancies also. It stands for sustainability.
So, it's the idea program. If I'm Nana Bena from Poma, me fan shy as in free. Nana Bena from Poma ni Udina from Menisho Kaka.
Pache from Gina.
Gina.
Put me from a quachua.
Quachua, and young cock quachua one. Yada, since you can't as a party festival na, Edia.
You. Young company, your friend is Sanko Fire-Rated Productions.
Okay.
Na ya dear bia, your dream, your mamma, your dear Dishia, dear N.A. Your dream, your mamma, who be beer, be my mamma, sustainable, and your dream. Inti, I fear you decided, say, December in Ghana. Yeah, as part of Indigenous Cultural Festival. Yeah, the Kukudam for our battalion, want to say Queen Mothers Association, Ghana Culture Forum, National Commission on Culture, Ghana Tourism Authority, GT, and the Omunye na be so you must say, ye fe, ye best start if baby. Sanko for here, sitting yin intini ye sign your kofa and your bonnet. Name when target audience media no.
Okay.
And a sign ye youth no. And a people from the diaspora no. Mona musum na mo fa bonny and mother qua a man for a quick cheaper. Papa so a quick cheaper. Into ye se mumra ni mum. Ni a 3-day festival. Yama be Brianna Koso, ye Gianni dear ye entire shame, ya grotitino, ya draft competition, Ludu, and Mirway Geomany, night market, music of also Jom Jim, a bayin
fine. As Party Festival.
Indigenous Culture Festival.
Okay, and remember Nana Hima who go say, or the Ahima no nina for home. Nana. But we say, all cancer, you say, a call one cassa, one dear to one cassa. A idea, oh, money at your home. Your mamma, Edaso,
Mammy, your mamma, it's yes, it's yes, pa. Name mono. I say, ye yakofa the Western culture, no. Na ye jay cassa ye dear. Ye your culture na in shred yet at the bataya mine home. Yat watching. Afofro de e na aye yemfe nanso nya no na sese ye hwehwe sene ampanifo eka no se sankofa yenchi se achia na emu ya esen abebuo nyina eno nti baby akodru bia e wo se ye kofa yade na ye bebedi yankasa ya mamre ne amane echi na ye de tete ye ma ene ye nananom a ebe me kafrao se me ka bibia wo ba asante memu a unko se bia ye biase anasa function biase a want to say ye bro eno wani keteni nneema ekoso e kire se yete ase na de aka ye ne se e wo se ye de tete ye nchiri mei empanifu edi kan no waye biko ato yense yenso be ye bi ato aso na enso so nto aso no akoye suatra wobetimi afa obroni de ana me kan se western world de na wo de abata ho bas wo ma ne metra wo de so bas se de ye hunu ne se Ghana menka Africa as a whole but Ghana ya yesuatra ya fa abonten culture no ama no bro yen ye de so but e so enu nti na yen ahimafwe in collaboration with for saying the Sankofa heritage fwe ye pese ye sum na ye peja if it's a ye jaba won ko an e bebo fom entimi nyina nanso yen a ye wo fom na yen ne de nkuro ano ne ye de nkura ano akese ne nkeso ano yen na se ye sum bia e betumi amanatre na abegina magana man afa ne ntoma pa
enti we no wafre nananom ahemfu kwema da sini nyina aka ho
yeah yen ye group ya yen ye in collaboration with Omono the region Queen Mothers Association all region all region HSA paramount sifu wom na sub Queen Mothers wom na divisional Queen Mothers nsusu wom inteno yen ne yaka ye ho abom ye wakuaku ahoro bebri ya ahemafo ekuo na nso so no ye all region inteno all region obia wo no te akonwa so ye wo ho no si yesua ne ma de yakoye nchi yakokire ye ma ene ye nchiri ma no ene nteno yen ne ye no wo yes collaboration
yeah atwacho me I say na say omo aye too much because amantam ne mu nyina ma pani ehwa asre dia o ma ya mana ye fe nyame hira mo is because ade na mo ye no efo wo ho
yeah exactly
ade it is da be ne ehwa ase
yes I say 14th December which is Wednesday here
okay
14th to 16th December Thursday near grand opening now mo be ba honom ne ade workshops wo media workshop no wo but see sene be ya cultural tourism cultural journalism you name it sene mo kasa mutie kasa kuan bi wo ha na waka enye nyina
na wo be kan bam wo abonti
yes remo sa mo fa mo numbers dem ra na mo so mo mesua bibi ye nyina ye sua ana intesa third day no so there's a street parade various cultural regions nyina and from Osu to the high street by Yebedu center why be ye into mo meso so mo mai na music so etaichi there's a huge concert after parade na ye be
na we be diskana
free if you say you see mu sua ade bia opuso bi sua bia won starting kasa wo jisika nti ya de sua de yes say mo say free nko ade ma me fuo yo mo me yo mo so pizza ni ade mo me try bibi wo ha me hu say National Association of chop bar for ibi me ni bi poda me nti di ni poda all regions on my line here
venue na kasa
Children's Park opposite the National Theatre
yo if you are Sutherland's Park way what the host by Trewa
in two person did so be dia ma ho aba we wada
sir and e sha se nyame yadoma Wednesday
14th
free from time then to time
from anopa 9 opening in a till midnight into una went to me and bad during the day akwesi 5 woni excuse bra anajonoko ye wo basima joint mo amu ware mo pese mo sua nyame bi mo obi wo hono ma resource person obetu mu fu about ware
yeah that say emre na so na o la say
yeah baby e ho hia ye mpa so ye media no the way a mo de yensem pay beto abonten no eno na be ma akọ obi adwene mu ne nipaduam no de esua de e na afin so adesua na ye besua ho nyefo only the people coming na emom mostly also for the media and someone ya sebe ebi no de to abonten no eya wo se wo mo che ho kakra if it's a young culture no enkasa boom boom and until so we a media person na wo ka asem bi na wanche ho kakra enkwala na wo fom ho no wo mo susia
na social media na de
da mo so ne kese
emfansi ha
medas
na me ya doma 14th wuku ada no pa no nkono ne agina mu a mi hira mo ne adwempa monya se mo beboa emabunu ene nchirima nyame hira mo ye de besi ha enti aspatry festival no baso nyame ya doma wuku ada medofo yemfe hu hyem ne ehuna mamre ne amane ahodo e all the regions na enye fe na enye kra behwe so enye hu mfrim ebedo na nkura na makwanfo mo bra ho omo makwan kura Thursday omo be makwan na omo ba Friday ni nyina days no ho anopa no nkono to anadwo nti onso wo betimi ababe me ne omo nkomo ne de si ya foforo nso wakyire ye ba ye beto aso
bia wokoto atimi yo ho ye bia
meda se besamo akwa ababe me Adom TV Badwam na o hwe no ntino o hwe documentary na ye de ama se sukodo yadom sukono a ehun nkomo ene ye ba bedi sabre ntino mewo Madam Florence Kuchi ya we director Metro Public Health ewo Accra Metropolitan Assembly ene ne ba bedi nkomo sukodo meze ede ya public toilet the way you should be paying nti na ma me kira diamond edredua mu awura musuko ubako ba infection ho ngo yo ade anche mo fa nche ye na so esi edi ho nkomo ise ede ya hwa na ye makoka dun so pa nso de onu anya e problem mame be mu akwaba
ya
na bibia boko de ye da se papa waduma yiso public health ne toilet ne de anode tiwa ohwe public health na de owo AMA boko de
asemo eyobi asede
eyobi asede enye easy it is na hu ye public toilet no
okay pacho medase mami fa akonye so na me fanchia etiefu anyina
wa efenso tade me fata opa
enkan sama fo anyina omo Ghana etwa ehia omo boase ye mentem ene ye abontin so toilet a ye hwese na etie emu beti ama obi kọ ha onkonkonya bibia enfan fremu pacho asem no akọ bisei o hwe ye mentem ana ye beka ne say public toilet a o hwe enye urban centers na especially Kumasi regional centers na say wokọ ye deep district centers na nkromfo bebre enim say e we say omutua sika kra ansa na omu use public toilet and now my use that is it if so onim say we so otua sika no obeye no say ne obeye bia nso public toilet bia hia maintenance every day bia every hour bia we say we maintain public toilet no we hia chemicals a we de be public toilet no ama emu ayeden aye neat nso sabi bia baby aye wo no say yentua yenkankan say ye kwaka say ya ban de a obi ampe so obetua sika when if an scan be free aba ene edi be sie toilet no ama emu aye neat into sure sometimes ago maintain public toilets are musisi ya ukọ a open defecation in disguise because u drain nim na wa start hia uyo obi a udi uhuni a onwo kire kra na okodru ho no ma na ni nyina ani na ateko na wasan wechi ekọ na Erade Adom sesi anipa bebre venture into public toilet as a business eno ana yetimi hu say sesi a yeyie kakra ukọ other countries a omo public standards on public toilets but uba ye Ghana ha ye nhede nisa standards no because senior na tete no na omo use public toilets ninti no na nka ompese omo twa public toilet mu kra no efie bi anya ne de but yentimi ntwa public toilet mu be fair public toilet no enye omo a omo ti mantem no dia eye obi a onti mantem no mu wetu kwanya ko baby fan say maba ha hanya baby a mete nti me ho kire me a there should be a place I was say me koye me ho yie nti e was say yetimi nya sa public toilet no nanso omo amotete ano no san na omoye no
ano ne asamo no serious o minim de as a AMA wo ho as a public health no o sure you were enough for the public.
You know, enough is reality. Ebia ade a wo be fa say enough for you no, it may not be enough for somebody. But you make sure say any kind of public toilet is not supposed to be everywhere, every place. Public toilets was say wo baby a trade centers, commercial areas, baby a nkronfo eta alcohol bebre. E ho na was a public toilet ewo. If say CACC public toilet ewo communities bebre mu a, they don't make use of it. I was say if you be our toilet. Into say if you be our toilet na say we see public toilet we community be amu, it will not be of use. But because yen who say I was say if you be our toilet no obeko no be so public toilet we ye chi ha ya. But eya no mo refi say public toilet for no omopon. Anajo no opon na say wo fie na oyem kawa obeko hefa. That is the question.
Baby no ye go abontin basa. Inti
no sesia no eme ayewo ho ye try ya sane ye be bia in 2021 April yetimi the public toilet standard operations eba out for public toilet operators are omo Accra Metropolitan Assembly ye ni omo ye training ye ma omo certification ye kire omo niema e we so omo use impu sesia ye coming out with a model public toilet e wa Accra Metropolitan Assembly obi ehu a obetimi adopted. I said, this is a model public toilet. I was say, baby, yetimi use that kind of model public toilet. No, you can model public toilet. A public toilet that is free from contamination, that is user friendly, that uko honoma. Ube feel fancy ya mako toilet facility mu mako use minya any infection se mademensan ko tachi wall dobi me peki bibia na baby ameko akot na aya ade no me pick from that place.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Because ebi mo ye de nti so mo visit ho no mo check weekly na because why public sane de as a weekly be say yakona nke yakwa check ho nsuo mo di si ho kura nsuo ni ho nom ne ade nti emra ne ka de fa ho se wo kono obi te won jijiska wo ya jijiska all right but ahonedie no nhede ni sure se wo form still
eye no kra na waka if say your bylaws wo ho your bylaws no on sanitation ekre say okọ public toilet na se sebi niama bi wo ho a obe look out se nimpa ni ni a you have the right say obetimi de nimpa no akọkọt you have the right say obetimi ato sa public toilet no mu ba ko okọ public toilet e we say nimpa no ewo hand washing facility send ye be ya obi ko toilet ho ba obetimi ahoro nsa e we say public toilet ho no ehun ye neat scent bia ni kwan say every public toilet no mu eba e we say public toilet no do na obi ko akosom ewuramu aba out no onkonko peke bibi enfamba out ye try first no nenshe den ni ho se si aye ni nkronfo some agencies bi aka abom kra ye ne ye fra na hygiene auditing e wo public toilets mu ye kwa ye take sample ni ahwe how clean your toilet facility is.
Ntisika no mo jeje amoha na eba na.
Pacho dey be public toilet na ye private entities. Nti omo mfa sika no emba eme. Me fan say omutua business operation permit because a business no more operating. Iti no e was so omo etua business operation permit. MIA yeso ya said yes ye be ko ho intientie mu ni ya make sure say ejuma amoye no edimo every 3 months bia e was say utimi disinfect toilet facility no because ni padodo a omokomu no omodoso
mfansi ha na wesankomo de yemie da matia da se nyamishra no monye ni ye na jonso dan ho so hono so ye problem infections ne doso tie da se nyamishra enti owura here Florence Kuchi Director Metro Public Health ewo AMA enene woni ye di enkomo yesu kodonti no ya sa akọ ye pages ho na sa akọ hwebio ha adwen tu kwa na wanso aboabo ho dada nti ye di ebesi ha ya na sponsors ase St Andrew Senior High School KLK Toothpaste Kidi Ministry of Piwak Natural Health omodro 3P garlic mixture ye do mo sepa so ya sinema yitumede enkomo eti se ye bro wa fisam so mididi afia amankwa tamaklomi kwa Pense mo to aso akwasinsia edeba edamasipi
Yeah, but we Efa Emra Bedwam Tumedi so on Adom TV. Yavara Sekese Koma Eric Esiedu, Bodi so dia gudibu sem Ebrenochi, and Sister Sandy be a guy, and so there was a page with the eto so the mother Fiamma Kwatabaklo. And the free sem Jumedi, ebe free sabre copins and onkono, ebe bomidin, de akwesi insian pense bubre, and Edrus Yavara Sekese Koma Hepa Plus mixture, and the Dru Abedja so e kama, e bua mama for Jinomonasu ye. Senebia ya the more beer burn pejemwa, ubetimi edine so enkudim. Hepa Plus mixture and Ghana be a ton a drubiano, o kwausa ebeka bi ato. Samsung Franco Trading Enterprise, there be a can say phone papa na Josuo ene e hon tu perfume ya ne bo ewo form. Phone beche edi ama air condition fridge. TV na wo pede ase wo dem a eye Franco Trading Enterprise. And make am for e was a common che won cry ni kumase. Na kopo me ma pa ne bo wo form bi enso etimi eto. Chaco toothpaste NMC can be the good body today so near the HSC and near the toothpaste. You find a Kel Chaco toothpaste. Would you choose here boy ye po num eto see a fita be a kama and the supermarket you have come also pe Kel Chaco toothpaste. Is answer no any papanum. City blood tonic and so in the mojedru abedja so am say nyina so prekope adia tum se no kwane mojedru abeboa ama honam dua sinkala kra atoso enua ene city blood tonic kai sam so no mu a onna e mane mbroso wani eha e mane mbroso eno nkwane mojedru asieso ni padua e ma ye kama ama hyehye pa baby aton do bia kwa so hwe city blood tonic mo kai say doctor gitu say unya mojedru nkwande a mane nye city blood tonic emfa ema wejafo atrase ya babedi kubom fana sekese koma Eric Ejay Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer Dema NDC Amoyoku Sanso Nabo Ebenezer Nate former member of parliament Manisha wo Ablekuma Central and so honorable Kode
Enya amiadomo
watch
say usika ba pena oni adam phobia so there
sikampedi propaganda
so there nkamenya brebo no ma sorry mbado
honorable Ebenezer Nate
nti nanka senka osu de me no sha ase ache because omo omo so me nsem kwa na wo ka ho bi pa enzo ye na osu akwa we fa say my ye nti me for hian for mo so na Eric Ejay eken ozi sika mpedede
nyame na mkan ba go so ba ko de
nyame adom egusu ye de say ye de boa the good people of Ablekuma Central puntu juma ne nyama ya hyehyɛ ase nyina yegusu aye prese it me bet me ama because it's the on the consensus yet no enye MPP for penalty ho and enye NDC for penalty ho it is okay say oh your focus is on MPP for oye kwan MPP for penalty be so it is the responsibility of all of us to ensure say whether MPP or whether NDC if you have the lobbying skills needed push for the agenda and make sure say the work is being executed for the betterment of all of us in the constituency. Sure. So you go see yes DSS.
Is there a possibility say 2024 honorable Ebenezer Nate a member of parliament seat for Ablekuma Central? I know some prime minister so February 2023.
Sanamati.
Okay.
Sanamati.
Obeko.
Ye hwe nyame.
Obeko.
Ye hwe nyame.
Amanfo sebra.
Any the any human comfort.
Why crowd so beji omo
so? You see, sometimes do somewhere now you need to do a broader consultation. Okay. Say who the ins and outs of it. Okay. I've started the engagement. I've met a lot of people. I've met opinion leaders. I've met even engaged the spare parts dealers and other market people that your friend is saying. It's not only your party people that you need to engage. You need to engage the masses as well, okay, and ask them for their opinion. Okay. And I mean, obi actually not during there, okay, but some of big and me share a group of people. Almost you. After you had in the betcha, your chair the decision lies on you to take your advice, no, okay, and ask very rejected. So we have given ourselves maybe by the end of this week there, okay, we'll take a firm decision.
So
exactly, okay, to let our people know.
Join you live on Facebook, Adom TV. Follow me so akwesi on Facebook. Neja comment we beje be ni akenkan e de ma. Eric Ejay boko de.
Nyame adom. Na onso.
Nyame adom.
Echia honorable. Na menchia onso.
Yes.
Amenchia Ghana fo nyina.
Say
70 twem when they knife na Ghana fu na to santene koto aba mfie mienu pepepe em say oye Ghana ni na wo hwem ya ubu nkompo hwe wachi besi ne de yetimu eso weni a wa unim em say Methodist for omuhim no ba kono nti ene oye timamuni a wo hwem ya hwe wabrabo tamo ane ye kan for mo no se de na wotie na utwa tu mo na aka tu mo no se de wabrabo so tie nema moden pa but ene Ghana ni bia dan Yankopon ono na ye ni kire no because utifie na busua penny life no obo a busua fo nkwada no bre ifie bia obekom obehu se papa no pa bonten didie kalomo wie ne ade no ya hwe nkwala no body kwhye okọ ne ade because papa no mako homa ofie na nkwala na di
kelewule anajo no
yes that is President Akufo-Addo suni ne ban ya ode tikrom o start ya o chata wi mu hyen o kan ne to ayampia 1 hour $20,000 converted 5 no ni nyina da chia semti na ne ye ka no ene bebie yedru kwazi nkwada na omko free SHS na ma no onim se boss me bi omubu omonsa onim sanitary pad bo and of some of the rural communities are. We need more say to my gona na atete no. And an unquada ni issue. Intiene proper sanitary pad and a ton be 6-7 cities no. And a 20 cities. Aquadano, Ubuninsa, Winim Sabi, Nehodo Sasa within a day. And this is the wickedness of the president yet. And our meaning power. Na dia ya wo mu ne se haircut ya ba manfo kranche dantiasi wa bru moja ni apesika de bi aye investment no kinofori atase wa bo man no nti wo sika o principal akro titibi manfo bre na zo nim ze ko elections ana
oh yes yeah that's next week Saturday
no ochina
you've new ochina
e wo Cape Coast
oh okay
nti mi wi a meko Cape Coast.
Oh, okay.
Me interested party.
Youth organizers, they say, Emsobomu lady, the incumbent, George Paria, the lawyer.
I remember them. And
Broja Jemfi.
Me support Broja Jemfi.
And the youth organizer, Nya Dia so.
Mestre say, Yankopon for all youth across the country. I'm Ramedu Cape Coast, as we move my Mato Ranching Bia and 2 Bia. What was a mere baboon?
Yeah.
And also the history of African politics. Check South Africa, Nigeria, other countries, Nigeria, the youth front. And the map party na hokeka ekosro. And this is a youth leader who is courageous. Who disi obitwa, who tu obidua. Party no where in opposition. And that is a leader we need. In the history of our country. My boss, I'm a communication officer. You know, organize demonstration in the party, you know. Meba. You be the more any nam get to a preaching message, didn't you be demonstration? And yeah, Juma. But say you were youth fronter, it me coordinate activities. Young Kotwaba me kumni pamwatching. Until say President Mahama commented 2 days ago, and a Ghana police service statement abanra. So we need a youth fronter. Baby yedru no ye man kokrafobia mese o man no kwanko. And obi obi a obetimi aye adwuma na ma NDC. Broja Jemfi.
Okay.
So I am for Broja.
But
into youth for now moba no. I'm a communication officer though, but I'm a youth. The ebetimi na kan bo ma ye adwuma then they rescue Ghana from the corrupt Akufo-Addo's government. Broja Jemfi. Ghana battle any simple so.
But I say
Eric
Wate Eric Aje, Deputy Regional Communications Officer at the NDC. I'm your co-orable. Eric and Frata, who soon when unity edimu majority walk out before voting on committee ad hoc committee no report on what they buy. So would this bring finality to this issue of Kenofrata enko and as still? Yeshua said the majority positions to take his Kenofrata must go. No, President will also do the needful.
Yeah, me that say. But before I call Kendo for an issue, my main can BB. Okay. Menu Eric Eka about sanitary pad. Nibuayede. And he make emphasis on the youth, more especially more senior high school. And then I was like, I don't more expect no year munsana because me say Obabia Bunisa. By do certain age I won't bunsa.
Me can't unemployed youth. Then kwada na most ko mo nyejuma.
They are not unemployed ladies too as
SHS.
I
know so baby but me is specific.
But me didn't.
They are really feeling the hash.
But also for the past 1 month, Ghana AIDS Commission has started say omu year sensitization on AIDS. Ekache say AIDS. To say apijanimu.
Yeah.
Yewa kromu ha. Adia e prevent AIDS. I say oba ni bema empam nkitangudie na ebetumi ama watwe ho afiri so ye condom. Obetumi abo ho ban.
Okay.
Mebun no sena menua Erika ye ambiem mame mpanimfo ni papa mpanimfo omun use condom na mbebum ayusu no maybe do Ghana ha ye di tax e den eto so
jama to condom acho.
Oh, Eric.
Let me tell you, Nche. So, we have condom analysis now.
Oh, at the time,
we talk condom. Eric. My producer, my man is cannot talk condom. Now, who born a person?
Oh, Eric.
Yeah, bro.
So let me finish. Seconds, yes.
And no couple, the task at you so, preventing the youth in this country from getting access to buy condom. So they were doing it raw, and I increase the population of AIDS.
Okay, and I offer increment here.
For logic.
Me one example. So if there's an issue, we'll look at it holistically and see say to deal with issues. But at the Eric. Because you catch me say if you was the sound.
Okay,
you catch me say you baba di bi onyanti was the sound.
Okay. Na bro yan e be di bi there. Jengo be ote.
Uko mokola o. Just how.
Esa na me afi.
2 seconds na ye nwani anko.
So dey mo pem yan no.
And see, let us not bring politics into issues, sir. Me no nyanim say these two parties in one way or the other in our governance no there are challenges. So when there are challenges, Eric, whatever situation in which we find ourselves, you are feeling this, I'm feeling it.
Sure.
Christmas, will feel it.
Yeah.
What I say. So we don't need to be making sure, so let's and Yangu, Garimu, and all those things. I don't think it will help.
But on the issue, say now the AC na, I think say no. You try say you best sanitize your politics no. Because who's an you can't do about sanitary pad. I can't remember John Mahama administration.
Yes.
Estate say yenche sanitary pad to your more school. In your NPP in Penfro Mamaka say your penny no edge muja at the free mayo and all the acquired dear.
When I can.
We from communicators.
Me man me man can be
one.
Yeah, boy to be me count. So the other is one about your queer musuno. Yen fanyene men yina na ebetimi atena ya so man na de ya amanyosem. Because ne ba ye kan was makudu 20 Ghana. Ebi na ka ba na e fa kan buy for 10 Ghana. And it is the utopa.
Uto condom.
Yeah, proper.
Yeah. Ni papa ko uto condom. Usanto pad. Dia bi na unto.
Oh yeah, unsanto pad.
Whatever you go mama okay, we meso.
Me honest person. That is it.
Whatever you go.
Okay, enra.
Yeah.
Eje obo no.
Yeah.
Eja ebai ebetu our parliament.
Sure.
Say the censure yenuano mu our minority. Eka say yen finance minister onfa ne juma entu form. And I say omo catch omampeni through parliament. Procedure ye wo e parliament no so. Yen yi na say akonya emfiri honum. Before that, somewhere in October, the majority have also expressed the same concern. Majority say not that they are against near minority for no say because you was the same agenda, but near omodi eden kahono. Any idea that's not what they are saying, and minority a core committee, a speaker, 8-member committee, and me I have said it on a lot of stations. Eka said, to be honest, when speaker ruled on this committee, the Accord Committee of 4-4, I just came into conclusion and said, so look, for my 4 years in Parliament, and for what I have seen, I don't think, say, we'll come to a proper solution to whatever both minority and minority are calling for. And that is a fact. Okay. And nobody can take it away from me. Because look, the issues that the minority raised against Kenofurata, the majority have something against it. So whatever the minority will say on the committee, the majority will not be in support of it. Because so how do I support you by saying that Nipani Ekronfo? Also Nipano a conflict of interest. Mimi can say. So when you come to the committee, how do I support you on that? Okay. So eventually, we have 4 members each. What will happen? I have sat in Parliament whereby there has been issues that you have the minority report and you have a majority report, which for me, per the parliamentary procedure, we don't have parliament and your friend say minority report and your friend is saying majority report. All what we need or what we always have is what? Report from the committee. Speaker, I refer matter then. Yeah. So for me, from the start, who say, oh, this thing, would we get to the solution in which the majority walked out yesterday in Parliament, not because of say the 183 minority it's not about that. Okay. But your friend is saying the deputy majority leader Afinyo Marken. Yeah. What he said, we are all singing the same song, but Mumudiano say two Presby him say na mama kofa Presby him 44 ababeshe Presby him 1 which is not correct. Okay. Because baby anywhere side then so if we are singing him 1, let us all sing him 1 by saying A, B, C, and D. But you have jumped from A, B, C. Normal Kosati was Z, Y, X. Now the ababeshe. And that's one thing that we are not in support of. Okay, but
with that one, the question almost should be say you can say. Majority intimately are dear party almost say honorable Kenofurata yentia President Pamela Naswan resigning. The yet in your constituency or Mumpeno. Market leaders say they've lost confidence in Kenofurata. Who is measuring that market? One and the constituent Oboja and the constituency of Momkacham say Yempe Kenofurata. So specifically, dear na Kenofurata yentia majority person.
So you have answered the question that you asked. Okay. So Omunkai. But you have mentioned things that they have said. So they have engaged, and I listened to Andy Apia Kubi. Okay. Also, we have engaged our constituents. We have engaged our people in our various constituency. And they are saying, look, this man for the past 4 years have performed. But look, going forward, we have realized, due to A, B, C, and D, nyama enko ye enfama mayen. So we think, for baby, why yabe do no, nipa beyebi, wan beye ni nyina. Ebia baby away do no any the sort of ideas as saw to me the edibano. Okay. Ebia na onya sa ideas no. And you see, let me tell you something. MPP as a party is a business oriented party. Okay. You can look, go to any market your friend is saying where you are Ghana ha. Start from my constituency to Agbogboshi to Kansh up to yes go to Titolo in Haya. Call about 10 of your friend is saying 10 people. Ghanaians, I'm not talking about foreigners. Okay. Ghanaians, not from Mujinaho. I can tell you, you can get about 8 of them being MPP for. Okay. And then they are saying, look, apart from we engaging our constituents, we have engaged the business community as well. Me, despite that I'm not in Parliament, I always engage the people in Abosokai.
Okay.
Just ended budget a year. I've engaged most of them. Last Saturday I was with them, asking them about the implications of some of the policies now. And what did they think say to help? These are people that the majority are saying say in our own small way. We have also engaged the market people, which most of them largely are people. And they are saying, say, looking at some baby I do say, therefore say, if the finance minister,
okay,
and a new person come a bit to me, I Badwam. And that's what they are saying.
Because Kenofreta is incompetent to continue in this hard time. And now say, Pani Empe Kenofreta.
Say, you call. Katanan saying,
yeah.
Tell Kobe.
Yeah.
Kobe.
Eric Muko Katanan saying, yeah. Did say Coach Otuado, you be free magazine so on your idea.
Ebi ano abra na say the body months any at that time.
Exactly. So
it would na Kenofrata the one.
Ebi minority majority si wabre.
Who si wabre?
Me ni parliament say.
Oh yeah.
Now ni Ghana.
For where I sit,
okay.
Me who say wabre.
Who say wabre?
Me who?
Oh why?
Who say wabre?
You know, because me who so go
okay. So it means that you differ from that position.
I've also engaged them. Just as the majority engage their constituents, no. Okay. I've also engaged my constituents.
Almost say wabre.
Omun can't say wabre.
Okay.
Mimi ho no mun can't say wabre.
It don't feel so you're competent and I say baby economy a switchen.
If the person can able to manage this country for 4 years.
Yeah.
Niababe do another second term of our government for another 2 years, sir.
Yeah.
Why do you say wabre?
So there's no cause for.
There are ministers. There are some ministers who have been dead.
Okay.
They have been there since Nanado first term, and they are still there.
Okay.
And they are still there.
Okay.
So if and I'm not saying say me obi coaching me say Amakwata uncle. But if you are saying say Amakwata has been there for 6 years.
Okay.
And Ofrata has been there for 6 years.
Yeah.
And you are telling me so.
Okay.
Because on wabre.
Okay.
Because the point is that if Amakwata is performing,
okay,
how come say Ofrata is not performing? Who gives the budget allocation for your friend is saying Amakwata to perform? Is it not Ofrata?
Yeah.
It's not Kenofrata.
Sure.
Our new finance minister,
yeah,
who released the funds to the minister for roads, minister for communication, minister for energy, and you are telling me say they are performing, and the one Amudi budget always this can you are telling me say only the Wabre. I mean, you might not be able to get the point well.
It's okay. The majority no can see a sashim be because it cannot be say other ministers yet how much so many mojuma. But by be a scanny free Bama ministers, Ninya Mojumano, you see any pacro free. It cannot nya against her.
You see, some of us
okay
have also engaged some of our people.
Okay.
Especially those who are fronting for the removal of Ofrata.
Yeah.
We have asked them, and just as you also came out with, the same questions now more kind, the same way Omudima say market forces say, your constituency forces say. Yeah. But the point is that we have 137 members of parliament.
Yeah. Sure.
We have talked about 275 constituencies in Ghana.
Yeah.
Are we engaged the orphan constituencies to also ask of their view? And I say yeah.
Okay.
But underlying factor didn't say yesterday the majority say Omunya 136.
Yeah.
And I'm a
yeah.
Yesterday in fact
and the speaker announces
and the speaker even announces
based on their clerk demand.
You see, the America say parliament won. There's a need for us. And I went to Uganda on parliament. When you enter, you have to clock in to say then it will ebe market will say waba parliament.
Okay.
Oh PSwa ebe clock you and then it gives you the time you enter and the time you left the house.
Okay.
In our case here, it is not like that. So me, from where I sit, and from my information I've also gathered, And from where your friend is saying when voting was counted, I miss me an opportunity to share, you know.
TV now kind.
I doubt say 136 no. Majority in the
But I say.
I don't know your host. Hey, now catch me in here. Hey, I said, Bebo.
Okay.
You see, Yami Adom now to me, who we law never frail to the bad, yeah. Now, your lawyers say, yeah. Judge who are my judgment. I say some all day, Bano. Because we are power there.
I got to see everybody to watch you live and clear inside. We must say Thanos, so Kesbig Junction, where more God, okay. Also, it's a good show. Well, say good morning to your listeners from Kojo, Asempa, Furniture West, Kumasi, Adom, and also Edibai. We say majority are not working in the interest of Ghana. The opportunity has come for them to rescue Ghanaians from the hands of clueless and incompetent finance minister who is making money at the expense of the taxpayer. What a shame. Musa Abattoir. And anyway, by my vote for Broja Jemfi as national youth organizer of the NDC. Well, see, our economy is on the way coming. I told you, I could see NPP is far better than NDC Doomsto 100 times. Regards to the hard-working Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, co-mensa Pillar 2, and also anyway, Efri Ebaye. Well, see, there's something very much of the NPP government has done. Throughout these tough times, there has not been light off as well as Doomsto. No shortage of fuel as other countries are experiencing. This tells you that NPP is on top of issues. Francis and San Edwefri Ekonfi and Ode Ebai. Please tell Eric Ajay that we are serious as a country. Amwaben answered the way Ebai. Eric.
Cousin. Medas. Enra they see what Rasha be refi no. Enra. And me who say ye woni pakuo bi a omo man mu ha na me no kasa what they think about is their selfish interests. Eye de omo no bedi kakra omo benya ne omo busua kakra na na omo dwen ho. Enra amiti was Star FM me follow debates and I think the way UP4 as if MPP4 so nim so na UP4
yeah
o pese o hu o suban a ko kan UP traditional back was bone a na o modwene wo man mu ha Kwame Nkrumah after so G independence they we mu na na mo ye no what I say and their history no ade bi emfi o side e bad. So if you look at them, President B or Baba B on MPP near West. Say okay, the President Mahama in 4 years obedi Ghana. And ne Yamin Shiran na Adom vindication and ye timunde. E dey na ba ye ka. Dey ba ye kan yin ani say mampani betina konwa so. And osisa na busuamfo. Ya ye kan family and friends ne namfofo. Sebe ne yire dada mo ne de keka ho. And the appointment mama. And we said it, say, what kind of backwardsome will be any nepotism breeds corruption. Omanya watchitria would dear Bushman for near Ayonkufo Neyeno. Educate as a shiny pro neighbor. Because now no other censor committee international. Ad hoc committee. At Umusan and Anum or one to take it accommodation. And tis a penina would debon and an uncle between no phono or be support of Bonen on the chrono or ball mine. Why are your own people against what finance minister is doing? And Honorable, I'm so shocked about comments we are making here. Say finance minister now on no disburse resources. Edema ministries near Germany, so man homeward. Now yet me move on I any triathlon. Yes, masano monomba. Oh na oji eto. Faboy home by one man who children are many. We have no cause to complain about that. What do you mean? No necessarily any pain. Ejuma also ye no kwaye se abre okwa awose menko. Why? Ei mo MPs no Ashabab for na wo mu mo tie aduan 83. No mo nya majority Ashabab for. Omo tie aduan reasons omo raise me ba. Ashabab. Na said omo ye ne nre nya Ashabab for suban. Wo se mempe ye se eboa won kwa awose mempe. Enya Ashabab for. So reasons omo state here first day say the inti omo mpeke no for yata no omo say omo constituents say omo mpe no
yeah
kai say na MP for na kwetena fie for break be 3 months na omo asenya ba
yeah
na omo constituents say omo mpe no omo constituents no omo nya MPP for nko an nti wo kasa wo ye MPP na mini party for nation oko German nota your population is over 50,000 enye ndisi for nko an nti say MPP ba as parliamentarian here sworn in oath no taking on taking in the name of your party people.
Yes.
And until na common fund na ye de kono. So the sisuku dan anya MPP for na kom nyendisi for nkwa na kom. So get it clear from there. Ne constituency ni tria taxes ma ban di bi tria na ka utimi di bi to fa ngugu ne kam. The same constituency no be a taxi driver. Car not filling a better 300 Ghana, not filling almost 1,000 Ghana. So if such a person is talking now, what's the finance minister and the sika man or the big command ministries or my judgment to another sika no ko e ne bottom sika and now if free data bank account wow party for ne say parliament ho no almost you in some na NDC forecast a conflict of interest no yes so kra gidi se kakra wom because papa e betina komia so besia bi o man die atua ne da achi bia ne mfa so wom who are you na Jesus Christ kura ba we asa na odi esi awa nke eku no simple sa
I think say
what the Ghana for anyina esi awa na odidi ye ho
fa che me say with that part no ada na ne council gabi asauti da ho ekoi
mu nyina mo ka ho bi
or clarify say there was 9 companies or secure for that bond ebitimi nyina nye data bank
kwesi Matthias enya ne ye kan that company we are talking of conflict of interest matter here meboa
eti ba akokora
na miss onye bukura na data bank
no ne o kan say on na agye
and go to every bank in this country ubewura mu bia na enterprise e ibo ho okosunya ne de baby na Bank of Ghana kura wa you see new facility and ho na data bank for adamo Ghana ne ye mo de ye de amamu loan nipa ba ko waje omanya bono look at Sri Lanka de bia meka na no adankofo ya omukwaje Sri Lanka president ni dwane ye no unim say one family to say Ghana de ya abusuya ba ko pe na abo man no enti se okofa ya ko hwe omudin no Raja Kwasa family no ba ko ye president ba ko ye chief of staff ba ko ye finance ba ko ye agree the same crop na wokruma and this greedy old men in government let me read something to you Adamu demu nsuro nyame me kai this was 14th September abusuani ba ko gabi o chere da ko 2015 unim tweet bi oye or say if running economy was all about borrowing your way into the unsustainable debt hole, then any half-wit could be president. You can't half-wit out here say any stupid person or foolish person. So Gabi Ochedako said this in 2015. So today, is President Akufo-Addo a foolish person? Question to Gabi. Is he a half-wit? Is Kenoforiata a half-wit? They said all these things in this country. And next baby I'm Ghana for Abrabodru. And you won't even humble yourself. Kenoforiata Ghana for anymore say Ghana for GD or Bible Krakow. Because of parliament be or the Nyamia Sem Neko. Economy, yeah, the Bible quotation nebu. Huh? And these greedy people from one family. Look at the state of our country now. Kwasinsia. Yeah, economic recklessness. Can you defend it? What for dollar for 4.2? Ultimately, the Korea could do 15. And such a person, I want the God to say, we're managing the economy well. Obi our talk government bonds, pension for sika, and crap investment on my year. And then I buy patapa, we see me dear do DNA into musika cramodia investment, no, mfaso cram and famamo. Look at these people. Masa. Nasa no man be able to get my phone buying home. And what we are telling you, honorable, tell your people. Say Ghana no more running. They should put in mind and say, yeah, running the atuwa will be able to answer. Because let me ask you this question. Debt researcher na here, you know. Sa 2025, 2026, so kona ye bet sika no mo se ho na ye betu amfaso no. Omo di sika betu de betu amfaso. Omo ya woody for because by 2025 they will never be in government. Inti of a year ni de ka beba na inti entu nheda. Inti yetu ni nyina hyeda. Inti nyame ye yadom na ban foforo be di 2025 e kwa. Ahokire so. Look at this crop of people. And you are managing a country this way. Abusuan penny a yewu agya okukufu utimi $1,000. President Akufo-Addo na America no. Wote $1,000 na ompenafo apem. Masem na woye. O rensa kalomo abonten didie. Wachata ka ni de keka ho. Ugidi se de woye no. Uja legacy bi se ofiri ho a enchiri ma no benya bibia agina so de ebu abusua no. And that is the life of President Akufo-Addo. Okaso aye ma wonka masa na no other ufiri mi krom German of Eba Accra na 65 Ghana cedis. And 170. Why? Mini oye national service a boso me 599 Ghana cedis or 95. Ofi Madina okwa adwuma okaso a dey bia o check in lorry fare. O check the odini dey bia. O tua electricity bill.
Ya to na to kaso.
Na say dey ohu hwe ko hebe bia obite.
Hey.
Odinim dia o kaso.
Na infinite ni ko to kaso.
Me ma analysis.
That be infinite ni ko to kaso.
Ni national
so
service.
now abo say now nyu oye service e wo kaso assembly and I say
me come in here and say me ma me ba. They me first state activity.
That's all you mean.
And I'm good. Anything I make say me nua na oye ni national service no. Ye o team Madina oye adwuma wo kaso.
Oh, okay.
Every day ofoka. Say nipa kron otua water.
So it's not reality.
Okay. Otua electricity bill. Okwa adwuma odidi. Otua transportation 590 something Ghana say. Such a poor student na we school about. I was so high that one crime. Yamu na mo opposition na mo say boys abre no. And the boys are home. And these greedy people.
So
one
so
family,
2 years,
one
service. You have to look at where you live before you post it.
I am talking of living standard in the country.
Exactly. So you make emphasis on that. But when you say you need to say meaning that maybe I would say say oh yeah service.
Eric, 1 minute. It's the me person me show say. Ghana for abrabom or how near Benedi ayekum no. Eje President Akufo-Addo ni alaji ba omi ane kenofori ata na diakom. Until we have the men. Goro boys we na normal can. Na asen. Where are they? Where men ya na? And I say Goro boys we omo gina passport office ni nkofo we na omo ye kwakwa for difference be na these guys those running this economy. What is the difference? Obi filling a car 750 so filling 1,900 and you are telling me you have the men. Kwasi, baby, I can annoy you. That is why I'm saying NDC as a party. We need a youth leader. Obebo Chobo me DHD.
Okay. Eric J. Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer.
Is it because we need to organize?
Whatever.
Busy.
Your mama so any Ghana for her. She be saying you never join it to kind of right at the end. Mama be 2 minutes been
for former president and so.
Say former president.
What's your mama?
But you refer Akufo-Addo as Akufo-Addo.
Mr. President Akufo-Addo.
Former President John Dramani Mahama.
Charlie,
and he said about the hardship course. And we hear you they say baby akwa do ye
so say Mahama no jam exchange rate 4.2 no wakasa nra o throw Facebook
but here
Eric na sem na okan
Kwesi ese Mahama say former President Mahama
be kan okre
ese ahokyere ewo
no see o Ghana fo ahu
Usi mi ukasa mama kasa.
Eric.
Obi a mehia na me pena asem bia me ma won sei. No me ntwe ma won sei. Ghana for se ahokyera ba. Mahama is a Ghanaian.
But be that.
Eti gitum say
Eric be that. Ora bo ye
me nua.
Former President Mahama say ahokyera e wo krum.
Ono na ehu.
And Kwesi me hu ye say and I maintain ye say. Nana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo ababe ka say Ghana for ihu atoy.
Okay.
And ameboa.
Sure.
Anytime he gets the opportunity to talk to this country, Ghana for, or admit say, yes, ahokyere e wo ho.
Okay.
I have not heard any MPP person, either a minister, deputy minister, a member of parliament from the majority, MNDC, or any government communicator be Ajem bibi aka say all is well with this country.
Men can be man.
Eric.
Men can be man.
You have got him.
Minti ye.
Okay.
Me hu ye. we have all admitted, say yes, indeed. Looking at the situation in which we find ourselves today, the president on several occasions have admitted, and recently when he addressed us as a country, okay, say yes, all is well, but and he gave reasons as to why Yababe do baby ayeden ye do no.
Okay.
And he has put measures in place. Baby ye do no.
Yeah.
Ye betumi ayeden abre ase ewo ho. Se na be ya ye hu betumi ayeden ahinhan.
Are we doing enough?
You see, the point is that we might not be able to satisfy everybody. Neither can we be able to satisfy whatever ye person ye dey ye. Bibi ye bia no a gradual process.
Okay.
Obetumi uhwe enaban aba. Osi o mehwe aketua aban edwumayefo anase aban those that political appointees.
Yeah.
Mehwe mo aketua mo ti so a meyi 30% efiri so. And that foot of air so that is not enough. But when you reduce the size of the government now, ebetumi ayeden abua. Ni nyina ayeden adwintoato ayeden Uncle Fueka. Say fine.
And we didn't have a boy. Eric.
Is there no certain questions?
All right, we go. Cutting down the size of the government, and you cut it down on the balloon government salary, no, by 30%.
I asked one deputy minister,
okay,
but of finance, say, muti 30%, no. From the time I'm multi 30% no ebe CNA. Ahe ene yenya.
Okay.
Na edien na ebetumi eden aye. Say ye aban I was to say ye te government appointees soa. Ahe na ebetumi ate.
Okay.
And how much do we spend on one person?
Okay.
No etumi eden a quantify say ye won nipa 50 na ye see ye 20 a ye betumi anya maybe a 1 cedi was so.
Okay.
30% so yeah, you bet me ebia 1 cedi was so.
Yeah.
Then we can weigh the two. So you won't say your kromo ha.
Yeah.
Join President Mahama Mbreso. Ahunchire eba ye President Mahama Mbreso. President Mahama the same thing by cutting down the salary of his appointees.
Okay.
Only me say after that omuko di omusika.
Omuse nya no kre.
But when the finance minister came out, the deputy have we heard them coming out to deny it? Have they issued a statement to debunk it? Mimi say it is not about say. But when you give me a paper to prove, say no, I'm giving you a statement. I'm challenging the your friends, controller and accountant general department. Okay. I'm challenging the Ministry of Finance. Come and tell us, say I'm passing a GA and I see Anje.
Okay.
So for me, I admitted it, just as the president have admitted. And I shared the sentiments of your friend, President Mahama, feeling for Ghanaians.
Okay.
I mean, we do Omani Suda, and he wants to come back. Unless maybe Eric Meka said now they have a change of mind. But looking from BBL Kony, I can see said they don't have any other candidate apart from John Mahama.
Why must say? Oh, means if we are what in Jam, we say, maybe you don't
Oh, me from where I sit, and they don't have any other candidate than John Mahama. Oh yes, they don't.
Even Dr. Kabla.
But your friend is saying, on one former boss, Kojo Bunso.
Yeah.
On one former
economy.
Yeah. Oh,
Ebasi anama boamu. Okay, baby, didn't tiafa.
On one kasa. No, we are talking about the hardship.
Yeah.
Na hardship no John Mahama.
Then me say admitted what he's saying.
Okay.
And it's not news.
Okay.
Because even the president not Tesonoko, I admit it. Yeah. I'm about addressing Ghanaian say.
Okay.
I admitted they said there's hardship. Okay. And that we are putting measures in place. Okay. So coming out to say this is not news.
It's not news. So Obiajiatum.
Yes.
I think Yema Finance Ministry so and share Aduwe Maye. Senator Nawoka say
yeah.
You weigh the two options. See a take government size so and a bad boy and I said you take salary cut this one.
Yeah.
Also already I think Article 76 of our constitution as to declare as a cabinet ministers should be between 10 to 19.
Yeah.
And now I can say we have 28 cabinet ministers. Per the 2023 budget, we are spending over 70 billion Ghana cedis on ministers, like ministries.
Yeah.
So assuming, sir, if we are to go by the 19 as against the 28 now, we will spend somewhere about 66 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah, but Myanmar government has saved about 5 billion Ghana cedis. This 5 billion Ghana cedis, no, is even far more than that debt exchange program now by year and or didn't say casnet, or didn't say insurance
fund,
or didn't say pension fund.
Pension.
Because so can me say you know what to give you about 2.1 billion Ghana cedis. It's not going to Emma government financial crown because we have extra 5 billion Ghana cedis. Now let's ask ourselves, why do we have Agric Ministry and Ministry of Fisheries?
Because the question we say Agric ministers near deputy ministry near deputies for the board their crop, the and then what board.
One is say for deputies
or first term we refuse deputies and more.
Let's talk about second term.
Now you want to say no.
Talk about the second term. You're not talking about the first term.
What board there?
Eric,
No. If you talk about say or more board there.
Now
what could you?
Me
complain said what can ever
Ochanapa by 4:35.
What minister could you
by 4:35. No, the idea of what the minister
fantastic.
Honestly,
fantastic. Yes,
I say Makacha say. No, Makacha Eric. Makacha say. C'est so be come kola.
Yeah.
Oh yesika.
Say you know no one am dey me go obi ani. O dey monya dem monya.
German of barrier wo ho.
Yeah.
You betuma here. You see, and this thing no minister no, I was shocked because the first person me think say Okan Wasem. No. The first time me think say Okan Wasem Charles Owusu.
Yeah.
I think on Asempa FM.
Yeah, cuz he say.
E ka say o. So onyesika.
Yeah.
Onyesika. Obeko your friend is saying so no so free be honum no akofa ba yire no abesi mu street ha no abeton wa ha
sure
in fact okan no I was listening later me gain echo actually
yeah me for any demolition bia say say ultimate ton ba yire was
Eric what am Eric
opa wo fa body ekogu ministry say o ton ye best say ni ministry we ton body yeah useless guy kwasi je ye ni abre let me tell you something quickly one
useless
na abani is useful ade enye useful enye useless ye de be can say de eti odi ompe bi omde be ye nim dala
obi anyo
me no say no maturity
untumi kotobo untumi tobo de untoba ye ensu to pad ni condom
yes send me down didi kwasi
okay
a great issue ya me no penny kofa ba sisi mo first time man penny time our power na extra large government no odi akoto be gina ho CV your kafa ne ho no na minim say world food program kro na da no oyi deputies 4 ene de ma papa na o twa ma na papa so otobode duro 3 cities e okuma se kwan so oh yeah planting for you see these people they think say Ghana for 77 produce so yeah na ya dwen wo form because all kind planting for food and job document na ba yire nka ho body nka ho ene ma omode tu omo ho safo hin ni bia nka ho eye maize serious and vegetable and now brew back and I'm 700 Ghana cedis. In 2016 it was 170. And the policy oh yeah you the positive results no. And matimam for ni feeling ya wona woka. Say de ani abu na Ghana ni bia timi tobi dia. Enye minister na tombo de. If in 1950 basin Kroma what is a minister tombo de da. Mo de records are ni pampers or ti Ghana na mo de ba. And the exchange rate Ghana ye independence one way be that. Share interest rate when we be that and we be defend the board now the top board there now pay control arrest you know or control no way obeto useless what say useless because what I am telling you is we have a president who came now doing na say nkofo ameni omo shabrabo ase no ye ne omo mess up the nation that is where we are today okay. And what President Mahama said is true no na eka o ye Ghana ni ono so to fango na busuanfo hwe Ghana fo otua school fees ma manfo ne de keka ho and he said something e won statement no and the trigger Ghana police service no more issue statement say wo o say 2 years aba ye koto aba ye sani to ogu nipa so kumomo besi na justice and prevail here me kan Ghana Police Service statement no ababia nim IGP dampare ohwemia se me oba ya na mka se sa cosmetic policing no na police for the motor nam krom nye fanfa ne ye yakum nipa nwotwe ya to about we 6 good years. You are telling us today say perpetrators no mo commit such heinous crime no unye hu omo now police for na no mo bu nkotodwe sani to ogu nipa so no na mo ye NDC for ma what are they telling us? That is why I'm saying, sir, we need a solid youth organizer.
But I see Eric Ajay, yeah, Deputy Communications Officer at the NDC America Urban Region.
Yapuana.
Yeah, we are.
Some member keep. Mama.
Oh, yeah,
Mama.
Good morning to you, Koku. Oh, Warene, Kwame Apia, was Antima Ponyamisha Monope. Edimo Asianum. What up, Medase? So,
Medase. Na me fa kunya we so.
Okay.
Na me wishi me nua bema. Madam Fupa, Giorgio Parado.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay.
Ni election uni MPP for this year. Omo pe Giorgio Parado. Nti we end this
ni. Ni akosisi na sekasi akoma Dominic Izia bua we Kofi Afadu. Rena Priscilla that chini usafo account sound like camera MCR and a flow manager so Monday on my Kwamda Santi. Anybody share background.